Welcome back to PFS Films. Yes, guys, you see, this is a re-upload with some movie we no might not watch because most of them we are someone who never finish. But that is not the important part. You see that video you want to share. You see if you reach 300,000 before November done, what we're gonna do? Make it reach 300,000 because here's the reason why. We asked the last time for sponsor for Riri, we never get none. So I sacrifice myself and book the flight for her. But the only problem I have, tell them.
Is the room, guys.
Right.
Guys,
the expense is too high. So if anybody wants to sponsor the room money, it's smaller than the flight. It don't really matter. It's smaller than the flight. But if anybody wants to sponsor it, if you can't sponsor it, the best thing for me, share the movie. Make 300,000 people see it before the month done. Then we will pay for the room. Me I beg you, please.
Yes, guys, please.
Beg you, in the name of Jesus, share it. Even if you watch it already, but some of them probably won't not watch. Me sure, me guarantee say, enough things they find that one won't not watch. Please, I beg you. Share it. Make 300,000 people watch it.
Yes, guys, and like and subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Papa is sacrificing himself to book the flight, guys. I don't want to see me at Panama, guys. Please send one little something for me can get the room.
Right, so I'm gonna do it. Had the problem right now, the room. The shopping money is not really necessary, because you know, food I have to eat and this and that. But just the room is bad enough. I'm begging you. In the name of Jesus, God bless you all.
Amen.
Them don't know me a who, you know. Me wait for them. And them have to pass here, so. Hi! Hi! Where not screech here go?
I don't say, we don't go somewhere with daddy and turn me back.
How me never know about that? Me that don't try lie. Cause if you lie, me shut on a box. Two-handed. I two picnic me get one time and I two-hand me a fly one time. Me don't bother try lie to me cause me did daddy yard. I wait for no.
Daddy carry out a yard and he turn me back for no reason.
So what I carry out to the yard though? So you follow your father, you don't know where you follow your father go? You think say me a idiot?
He turn me back.
So I buy on the chips and then turn on the back. Hey, you don't think say me a idiot?
You know idiot.
Make me know slight difference. Make me hear slight difference. I don't know. All me need is a little bit of proof.
Proof?
For prove no a lie.
But no lie, man. I know so not lie.
Sure. A picnic on the name makes me what's on our twin. The amount of games on a love play. Me not believe in I make no know so me not believe in I lie on they tell. Cause where I get money from?
And daddy buy gooey.
Daddy hey!
Daddy buy what?
Nobody walk off. Daddy, you take them and send them back and buy them chips.
Daddy buy what? That me want to know. What daddy buy?
You know buy Ashi. Are you buy me? Are you buy some? Give me a yard from tell yard money to buy with chips.
Hello. Pay attention right here, so. Why not tell your mother to me buy a while ago?
And take them out to the yard.
We never told you
I lie me a tell.
A lie.
Me a lie? Me a lie?
You know, lick them good. Listen to me.
And me a call liar. And me a call liar. Get back in front of your father and call me a liar again to my face.
Where that come from?
Ashi came and tell you to buy chips, give me. No,
But what me said to you say? When you left the yard, what me said to you say?
We not feel the yard.
Right.
That boy boyfriend on the road.
Right. And why am I not supposed to go on the road?
And I will kidnap me.
Right. Because like girl picking it, they will go no sweetie, they will go no ganja sweetie. I'm gonna suck on funny, and then when they sit on the dizzy and drop, I don't need that. Then go out.
Not here.
Oh no, if you go on the road, they have some cologne, they give people for smelly, spray and smelly and knock on out and go out and do. Me not say you can't go on the road, but 1 a week after the death. Because it was an idiot. Una nonsense. Yeah, how much?
It's what we have to.
Right. So, nobody feel like say, me no want to go on road. If we didn't reach the government law, I'm gonna go to chance to court and come back in as we feel, not as we feel like. A matter of fact. But that's alright, you can go there, so spend 2 hours, come back. You understand? So, me no want to feel like say, me no want to go nowhere, make another upper hide behind the back and I tell lie about me. Your mother knows that me not care go to it. And first of all, me not go take my last money and buy chips. I not go do it.
Fry up, facts.
And let's see if we find the hand one more time, me skull the head. Remember me tell you that. Since school get holiday, none of them take up a book.
One name book for them.
None of them take up, if you tell me no lie, you see. Cause me make sure me put up the book them good in it. I mean notice and none no move, none no shift. And that me use it to study. What devices them they wanna use?
Which device?
Them have them no walk without them. A tricks to them. A Brenancy.
You know me I do know? And I think every parent should do this. I go and make sure I scan your WhatsApp. I go and make sure if it's on Facebook, I put one on my phone. I go and make sure if you have a Twitter, I have a copy of it for my phone. Instagram, I have a copy on my phone. TikTok,
Same
we have a copy of it on my phone. So anything you do in it, I shall see.
Yes. For safety.
Until you're 18, we take it off. Me not responsible
Me not
after
see
that.
nothing wrong.
And we go and pay for the app. The tracking location, anyone to go. It show up the blue line round and round and the dot. So when you can't come back and tell me something, never go there, so I don't know.
Can't lie now.
The dot I go show, it they go register. You understand what I say? You don't understand?
I understand.
And fix your
By the count to
face.
3, make sure you move out of my face and reach up. 1. Why you have to pick them and walk up and down out of the road?
Why you have the picnic them and walk up and down that
I
road?
work, I have to work.
And you don't believe in me I work too. And you wanna work. Remember say 2 we make. A 2 come into the world and a 2 we make. So it take 2 for raise them.
Come, see them out there. Go, carry them up. Right now,
Rude.
you need to do better.
You need to do better too. It take 2.
I tell them a 2 hi.
Hello.
What happened?
Nothing.
What your name?
I'm fine.
What your name?
I'm big.
Oh, my name Riri. So I first me like something about the place. I want to just move around here.
When I come out of the work, I'm from parents strict.
Oh.
It was hard.
Well, me always did want some friends, so we can be friends, not true? So we can hide and come out. Yeah, and we go around the place, cause we can go down the beach. Alright. So me will see when I up the road to live.
Yeah.
Oh, alright, down next time I live here. So me see you tomorrow or so. Alright. 2 friends. Oh God, I'm tired. What did my song? Oh, no matter that.
Yeah, bite it. Yeah, bite it. Where now they come from?
Nobody lick them. Nobody lick them. Good evening.
Good evening. What on the papa tell you now? So where this? This a yard? So where on the Dupan road? With friend?
I mean, me meet them yesterday, man.
We are walk out and I guess we know each other good.
We just go park, go play and come back.
And who you be to them? How you just meet my picnic and I take them to park?
I yesterday we meet them on the road when me the dog on me yard.
Well, I tell you what, young lady, you're not supposed to have met them because they're not supposed to be on the road. So,
Then they tell me,
and you still bring them out? How old you be?
me are 16.
You're 16, then younger than you, so you know better. But me no response for you. You have your parents first to answer to.
But me a bigger one, me can guide them.
From this guidance, me no want you guidance. Them have me and them papa for guide them, yeah?
Yes, the bruises, friend.
Them have me and them papa for guide them, you know?
Have friend.
Not the ill ones them that take them out to them home. Them tell you say, them not supposed to leave the yard. And you take it by yourself, say, tell me pick them out to the street.
The kind of was did at.
Eh?
And them said then they do want to go, so me and them walk and talk.
Okay, walk and talk. Well, walk and talk this. Me I go lay down. 1. Open my eyes and see, you know. 2. Oh, you know. You know. It's not done there, so. Wait till your papa come home. And they might tell me, say me soft, we don't know. Wait.
Yeah, my picnic straw, yeah.
Eh? You go out to my side, so you look like bad breed picnic. Oh. And I know me and who.
Okay, I'm serious.
Yeah.
I want to do from morning.
I'm on the qualifier. Yeah, I'm on the qualifier.
Where she there?
No, she probably top of my yard. I don't know.
Tafa what?
One yard.
I wonder if you understand what you say. Or your mother for top of man yard I do.
I don't know, but I'm on the qualifier anyway.
You
We'll
know,
talk together.
and that's why I want to go do DNA for you know.
DNA for.
Because in the brown. Well brown too at that. Well brown.
I'm gonna have me a jacket because you're too wicked.
Me wicked to protect you.
No.
You think me and them workless puffer them when a business boy and girl picking them and girl picking they go catch man or go they go catch disease or belly. What?
This man you're gonna
I don't know. You tell me which one of them they go catch. Okay. What about your sister? Eh?
Yes, she alright. You don't want a man.
Only better make sure. What is A plus B?
See, here, teach you.
You make your sister have sense more than you. Eh? What is C plus D plus E?
You tell me.
All you check it alphabet. You can't know say F. Eh?
Wanna reach?
Yes.
Wanna reach? Wanna shoulda reach? Wanna shoulda reach?
Yes, I'm gonna
What them two liar girl tell you who them did there?
Say, you and them go park at the top of man yard.
Which part? Wait, you know
Come
when
here.
they go
Come
back here.
Come here.
Get back here, cause me from
Come
road
here.
and down it. What's up? Come back here, sir.
Tell us
Wanna
what
have chest high for life, so have chest high for
You can't go and park.
Stand up there, sir. Turn to there. Turn to there.
Let me ask you a question one more time. When mother can go park?
Yes.
Stop telling lie.
I lie, yeah. So, we meet one friend yesterday and she go to park with we go around panicking and she see we and she talk about my friend a bad company.
Let me ask you a question. Mothers always know best, right? So why you not disobey your mother? Eh?
This beer.
You
Still a lie.
not get breakfast?
No, for one, for my belly. It could be. 1 egg or 2 egg more.
Let me ask you a question. You know how much one egg? If you get 1 egg, you're lucky. You're lucky. I never 1 for 2 hours. You not get lunch. Right. So now go on so, and then dinner. Only go on so. You alone eat 10 dumplings and your sister eat 8. So kind
I'm
of
hungry. But I'm going to wait and go home.
Yeah, cause you two liar and thief walk together.
listen me. I'm gonna warn no. And this is the very last time I think we should have repeat myself. Although every time I say the last time, I don't know why me always end up in this position. Every time I talk to me say the last time. I don't like it. You understand? I don't like it. You know, a girl picking anything can happen on the road. Waiting police to come jog and pull.
Parents.
Right. So why don't you keep on and come out of the yard? That what the yard not fit for no?
So we
No,
can
man,
now
no,
watch. We can look at friend.
Me never tell you can look what? Where is this a while ago?
No, you have chest to say it. Say it
Listen
again.
now.
You have chest.
You know what me I tell now? You see the yard, make it be in the comfort zone. If I nothing, me buy some rope and make a swinger. Or me buy a hammock. Or me get I'll jog them, me get them and put on 2 wheels on them and you push on the sister night. You know, take turn. Make you feel like sound the par. You know, roller coaster sitting up. Yeah, make you feel like on the pan that. If that you don't want. The street is not good for uno. Enough young people will not see it for the news. Miss them.
Because they go a man yard. We not go a man yard.
You don't shut them out. I don't have a man here then go the same friend them wanna follow up and down. That can cause death. You and your friend can go around and him push you off, him bad mind you and him push you off. I don't have to be like in literally one drown, you know, but he can push you know, for prank, you know. I don't realize only can't swim on a drown. I don't nobody wash you and can't find no mind. Because if you're dead, might as well not find the body. Because you put more stress for me if you bury, you know. But when nobody gone off fish, me better for me. Me just light some candle and worship and that's it. Talk along that way. Talk along that way. If you don't teach them these ways, them are going to block out. Let me teach you that. You have to bend the tree before it get too old. Look on the breadfruit tree. Can you bend the breadfruit tree? No. Oh?
Me say, you plan the funeral before time.
Yes. It's better than any other thing. Look at 2 months this, you know. And for me, I have 4, you know. So check it out and then eat more than we. Them pick their mentality, if they have parents, sit down and talk to them. Me have to work and but me still have to find time to talk to them. Because me I go feel pressure when they don't come in here with belly. Me don't know if you do not know the road.
Yeah.
Where this one lie?
But listen to me.
No mean yes to
You see how me stick the hole in that's the end of the ground? Make sure, say, if you don't know, sir, you gonna do something out the road, there's a thing named condom. Condom. And make sure, sir, you don't do nothing out the road, because when me can go a doctor next month and doctor tell me say on the cherry gone.
Me can't wait till I can.
Anyone who go lose on the cherry. And then me and this I go. We don't know. Cause anybody picky, I bury we don't know. You understand? You are 15, you are ready for now man. Right? Keep it that way there. Go on. See Mary breathe.
Stop tell lie and stop walk around and tell lie. For me too.
See Mary breathe it up, man. And listen to me. Make it be the last time we come back from work. I don't see them here.
You think say you talk to them now? Readdress. Because me go a street, go rate them, bring them back. Cause if me never walk street, go find them. You would still be sitting here waiting for them. So nobody try that with me.
I think I hear them go, they come in from work, come in and see you. So I say, yeah. And then when we look, me see them around come in. I say, yeah, and then go, and you top a man yard. What?
Which man yard?
Ask them, don't ask me.
That's why I say liar and thief work together.
Good. Me not none of them.
Lies and don't believe it and don't come try dress me.
Anyway,
my head chip.
Where you cook?
Me not cook nothing. Me I walk straight from how long, you know, from what time them the picnic leave. How long you did there? Your hand and foot join church. Listen, you see like how my head chip? Me will give you something for bed your back for. Boy, I'm done with this, yeah.
God, I mean, they had lecture the people them and think the food cook. I could have seen me straight and cook. God.
Why every time me have to leave the house I say Kaono? Eh? Little girl may beg you already for stop broke up me pick them, you know?
Me not broke out to pay them.
So why them there on the road and are you them there on the road with?
So something wrong with that, you be able to
Yes, cause them know them not supposed to dip on the road.
Nobody like you pin them.
Huh? So me feel lick you instead. Eh? Every time. Every time.
Mom, we just go relax on the beach. We go relax, got them hot.
time hot, and this I got hot, see? And this I got hot. And then when your father ready, him come cuss me, tell me say me can't manage, you know?
Go on up on the yard.
Me know, me need to explain to her.
Ah,
Me and them go.
beach. This is the young woman that broke out with her daughter, them.
Come here, sir. Come here, sir. Want to know her from?
You meet her.
You come here, sir, young miss. You come here, sir. Yeah, how much?
Me 16.
Right. The fun are good and make an example of her.
She good, everything good about her. She's like
Tell me what wrong. Tell me what she do wrong.
borrow pen was
Okay. I have a big old long eyelash and them a life on the one.
Yeah.
I did my birthday.
And that you really want.
Nothing wrong. My parents say approval.
Me no business with you and them two for we.
I'm not send them to go bore themselves.
Your parents they approval for you. Put on long old eyelash and bore your nose like a cow. And your hair look so.
A hot girl style.
Shut your mouth about hot girl style.
Your hair look like mine. Me just catch up my ear. I told me go beach.
Listen me. Your mom always say that saying here. Show me your friend and me tell them who you are. I saw you want to live like them girl there. I saw you want to
What
live.
wrong with me? I just say on the pity get broke out. Cause we not talk about them. What wrong with me?
You look like a skittle.
How me look like a so what they look like?
Intelligent.
Me look yeah.
The one here.
Don't judge a book by a cover.
So you share for like the one here go bore is behind me back, you know.
You see me ears, boy? You see me ears, boy, sir?
Everything else
Look
bore.
at little girl.
You see anything else from me, boy?
Make it be the
Your nose
every time
all
you say a
them.
word, I mean,
But
I know
your
what
nose
it
what too?
always I say a word about. Make it be the last
But your wife,
time.
listen now, your wife knows, boy.
Tina this.
You don't worry about my wife. My wife.
Rank and
Boring
chest
them
high.
adult. Them are not adult. Me know why you broke them up. Me know why
Me
you give
not
them
break
man.
them out. Me, I see me
Them
again,
not ready
man.
for no man.
Me a give you no man.
You're a virgin or you're a virgin?
Me a virgin. I want me
Hey.
to go doctor.
Hey,
Ask my parents.
hey.
Them a life and no one live. Look good.
No, we can't manage to borrow.
And you want more than us too. To put your sister. Look
That's
at
your
her.
business.
What wrong with her?
No, I like boy ears.
You see the attitude though.
Alright. Silence. Let me tell you this girl. And me and my mother work hard to get them here. And work hard to mind them. You see my two pity them. Don't take them backside back out of the yard
Me
again.
say them out of the yard.
Any day name here, me can't find my pity them again. And you me a come find them. Any day name there, them come out of the yard. And you me a come find them.
But I know me tell them a come.
Any day name there, them come in my yard with belly. And you me a come find them.
Me never put them
Any
fire
day
now.
name there, me take it to them to that.
Yes, and that you fiddle. And that you fiddle.
Me a come for, come on.
Yes, whip them.
Oh boy. I wonder what you know what you tell me today. Eh?
Finally.
Wanna go? Look at the time.
Oh, we have mommy with the grocery bag.
6.
That's so. She just called me.
So why she never call me instead of Uno? Why you have to call Uno? 30 now, and you know what I mean? Out of the yard when 5 o'clock come. Hello. Make sure say, I don't know mother Uno are gonna meet with the bag.
Yes.
Because if
Tell
you,
one lie.
huh?
Why we gonna tell one lie again?
Remember, no, when I come back, that's you. I go plug in the iron. So when the iron hot, huh?
We gonna do it to iron.
Brand new, if she say, no matter up there, or just a come in, or not come in. Make sure no matter not meet. Make sure.
Nobody out.
Nobody with you?
The grocery bag.
Is after.
He just called me.
Your father just called you for help with grocery bag. Since when you not so willing? Eh? Since when you not so willing?
I will be. Where me, mom? Come on.
Your
why
father-
you call me?
Huh? Why you never phone me for help him?
No.
Try no, you know. Me I go up at the house and make sure say Our father gonna come back in with the shopping.
Yes.
Because anyhow, try not say if I lie on a tell. Me have the whisk up there and me have the belt with on the name on it. Oh, and they take this thing for joke.
That girl.
See?
Yes.
Finally come out here. I'm telling you if you just continue with the lie there. You see? Eh?
Can we hop
Over
and
there, so
go
we are
in?
go. So now we're not gonna make enough money. You're not worrying yourself. Just come on.
Hurry up in the cars, boy. You don't want a problem.
No man, it not take long, man. That's just 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Better be in. What? Tell me something.
So wait there.
The girls are inside.
You know, say, me go ask you, say, if the girls them a carry grocery with you.
Jesus Christ.
Where my Jesus Christ? No, I don't
They
know.
beat them out the street and they tell me, say your phone, they meant to ask them to come help you with the bags, them a grocery. And me tell them to make sure you reach before me. They're supposed to reach here already.
Me phone them. When them tell me say you call them to come meet them with bag. And you say me phone them. You never see me call them out in the late time hours. Are you alone
This
around
time
it?
you
Not me.
can't stop me, you know. Me I go bust the two of them back. Me I go bust them, you know.
I trick you, make them trick you.
I trick you, make them trick you.
How them trick me? I
Them
mean,
tell
first
you,
to them.
them tell you the same thing them tell me, man. Me tired of them foolishness.
You
And
see-
I walk
you see,
from
I'm-
brain
you see-
far away.
you-
I go bust them behind for the two of them.
You see, this is the thing, you know. I go to a station right now. I want to report. I went in and missing me. I put up missing.
Yeah.
Because I want you. And you know, listen, I tell you, don't make you pick the phone after 5. When it get 5 o'clock, they must stay in them yard. 5 o'clock must not see them on the road. You see all the evening shift business them do, then we cut out that. Then we cut out that every school must keep, and 3 o'clock every school compound cannot hold everybody, then build different building.
So tell me something. What time you did see them?
But 2 hours ago,
Oh, so after 5. So everything
No,
them do good
6:30.
is your daughters. When
No,
them do
no,
bad
no,
is my fault.
no,
And
it's
you
not.
see them after 5 o'clock and you never see
no,
them
not
backside
for
back
5.
home.
6:30 we see them on.
Oh, 6:30 you see them.
I
I
said-
never think to send them back home. When me phone them for when you ever see them two dry head girl help me. Them quicker for help you. Them never help me yet and they don't use them damn two away.
So you want to tell me it's my fault? And that's
You
what I
love
say.
Brim. You love Brim, so me I get in there before you get in there.
You know me I go do? No worry, go on and go cook. Cause me hungry right now. Me I go on the road, go look for them. You know. See, anywhere we see them, me I'll slap off the two of them head one time.
And leave me some. Can you see this? Right there. Yes.
I tell you,
This me have for them. Cause the last little slick. Yes, and this me have for them. Cause the whisk never do them no good. Me sick of them lies, man. Make them come in. I gotta bust up some bag.
Why?
Me and them.
Father, why me? You see my girl picking here, man.
Come here. Alright. Me no want you to follow them. Them bad.
Nah, follow them.
Make sure you see, I'm give you a chance to put on tattoo and boy neighbor boy nose and something and put on braces and something. Want to make me proud, want to make them shame.
Yeah, me make you proud, man.
Alright, make sure. Me not to be like them.
Nah, be like them. For real, me not be like them. Realize me always stay by myself.
But them enough up in you and you
I try to ditch you from them.
Yeah, but me like that. So just keep on do that because them have bad
Company.
character. Yes, them have bad character. So want to be the good one.
Yeah, me make a proud of me.
Because them have bad character.
Me know, because I'm not really par with them.
And I realize that. I love that.
What bad? Who bad?
You come here, Sofa.
So what kind of private conversation?
Yes, my
I
daughter
wanna
have a conversation. You come out here for.
So you can't make me hear.
Come out of my business and go on inside. With you for your
Okay.
question me. Go on in the house.
You tell daddy.
You know, go on.
You such a rank.
Very bad.
Feel like you're on our side.
Anyways, come and shop for me, yeah.
Okay.
Buy 2 pound of rice and 1 mackerel.
Okay.
Alright.
If you for mackerel.
I don't have no money to buy no else. So.
How's this? Hello?
Hello.
How you go?
Oh, so me had me I go do. Yeah, oh yeah.
Shop me say me a go in and me see you walk. You look lonely though.
Yeah, me kinda lonely and look out ice. I look up plant chips and Pepsi me I get for lunch.
Around here live?
Up here top this one, man.
Oh, up there me live too, you know.
Hello, yeah, tell me
Right
never.
I look house down this.
You know, so me always fast, but show me not chat to people.
Me not chat to people either.
So you just stop me and chat to me, sir.
Cause you look like somebody who would I like.
You like me?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, yeah, tell me, no believe you.
Cause the rest of man around so they're not really attractive.
Well, you're right, but that's still me attractive.
Yeah, cause you're nice and thing. So you would want to know you. You have woman?
You know, so me not a woman though, but God no be it's on hot. Oh, me can't give me number, you just text
Alright, me take your number.
me. 382611, man. Do,
Alright.
me love chat to you still, and I feel like I run me
I
around.
go call her cause I shop me I go for my mother.
Alright.
So we link here?
Can I back something for me, too, yeah?
Alright, later.
Alright.
No, so them shop here man, them people can't stay in that shop. How you there, so? I don't think you're going over.
You know, so I go up, me there, go up. Sit down now. But I feel like I did run here a while ago and me I said just take me number and said, me name how you feel like, me name want chat to you. I throw Sunday, the hot me man, I can't afford
Sunday that
bleaching.
for real still, but anyways, after me go shop, come like the people them gone, go use bathroom, or me don't know, cause they not down there. My mother said me to go buy my kill. Alright.
You know, so me and my kill up on me head, me can't give one. You know, go a stranger place.
No, me not go strange. My mother wouldn't like that.
But me are not stranger, you know, well, you know, me
Me
name.
don't know you as that. So when time we get to know each other, then no.
Alright, no problem. So we are going to know like how you know no mackerel and rice.
Me I go up and tell mommy say, me shop black.
So you know and tell mommy say your boyfriend have a mackerel up there when you want to go.
Me can't tell my mother that. She go kill me.
If you have a boyfriend, well, yeah, tell her.
Yes, me can't go tell her that.
Boy. So me have to go talk and that quiet then.
Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, my girlfriend now.
Yeah. Just we have to go work on it. So as me say, me have your number, me I go text you.
Sound like you want to be my girlfriend, man. Think about it when you want to go. Are you me there wait for
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
I pray no bad, bro.
I pray me go.
Yeah, man, pan go on easy, man.
Now stop me I come from there, I buy a bar and chips.
Mm.
I want Pepsi, boy, Pepsi done. And girls, me and big out there.
Bro. What you say, David?
Different styles, my dog. You know, I look a brownie who live a hilltop there, so I look a greenhouse.
Mm-hmm. Look brown in there.
You might get to tell me saying you want to feature me or something, dog. I tell me saying you like half you look. But me ain't know say he rate me then way there. I look like
Boy, I wrong man, girl, tell you my father. Better you left him alone, you know.
what make it so?
I worse man that man.
What make it so?
The man is a mad man, you know, man. When I like people talk to him that too much to my father, man.
My bro, in a high school, a mackerel thing they call me, you know. Because me sharp. Me no pad man girl, me no pad man daughter unless they underage.
Boy, no, you work out the part there, you know.
She so she want to feature me still, my bro. So and like at me intentionally. But you might tell me say, you have to go there and look quiet, you know, cause
Can you know your father? See, you know your father?
my mother, you might tell me boy, it look like he ain't afraid to mention his father.
You know Papa, man?
Papa.
Mm-hmm.
Papa and father.
You mean Papa
But it no matter. I could have Papa. The sailor man or Papa with the nose long like Pinocchio. It no matter who my father.
Boy.
Me and son-in-law. But I know that you know I feel like it.
Trouble do boy. You feel if you're not listening, you know.
Boy, I know about that, you know, me bro. But no, I'm all free still. So how you definitely an idea like a this? Yeah, tell her.
Right now, I can lift clutch right now before pass on see me I saw you know, cause boy. You're not here.
Yeah, I talk about Papa like him was this great man.
But Papa you're mad man, no my father.
Yeah, like this great man or him a Satan. You know, say I wonder if that man. I'm
you must
bro.
know.
So you're watching on a job.
Mummy!
How you come from? As long you take for go buy phone rice and one mackerel, mama?
He's not mama, they don't question me. Mummy! Oi!
What are the people in business? Come on. Come in. Come in. Look how long she sent gas shop and she just a come back. You know what's happening? You look a bit bad.
You know what happened? I want more so. She gonna talk about the whole long meeting. Not even explain myself. The shop is closed. I'm gonna go down the road, go look if no more shop today. I'm not see no more shop, so I'm gonna come up back.
Yeah, mother, we are questioning him for. You might be the same father, but no question him. I know you're pitney. No do that. Too hot harder. You're going to a big woman.
That boy like big woman. Look on him kin.
Leave him alone. Leave her alone. And me tell her, me make she do what she want to because she's a good girl. You know, stick with her bad.
Two of them.
I'm not going to get innocent. Janice a maga one ya.
You realize I'm not saying nothing to you for a man, eh?
You can't say nothing to me, little girl, because you look pitney and I'm not going to argue with you. You go about your business.
Them a fed up now, so them big.
So I'm grind down your place.
I hear that a movie they grind in place because she have a tattoo and pierce up for her body. You don't see me have a tattoo and pierce up her body.
Because tights up in her front.
So what have to do with
but
you?
But you talk say we bad.
That not have to do with bad.
Lady,
that not have to do with bad.
Action with you.
Exactly.
Do you own no go on?
So she attack
me. How you go on? Me not go like how you go on.
Mama, you no sneaking.
Who's sneaking?
You no especially she out there so. That one.
When them boil them daughter.
Mama to the business.
When daddy come start out.
Man, they are them a go. Make them go on.
Watch him. Him a ringleader.
The one night pink tights.
Yes.
One yeah. Kill them no mind.
My dear, we are family that want let me talk.
Come on, man. Sure, you see lady over there some ignorant.
You living here?
You living here, what?
I'm just new, so no one know how to get credit plus than me.
Oh, well, you have one shop right there, so that's a John shop, and you have Miss Jerry shop down the road, and then you have the little old thinking man shop in steel bread down there, so.
Excuse me. No, Mama, you not do that.
Ask her one day.
Mama, you just come down here with no two new, I mean no two trust people. I know she trust people so quick to talk about Jan and all about the place. But anyways, girl, you look nice and all of that. And you know we can be friends, man. We can, you know.
Same name. My name Alia.
You buy with something?
Yeah.
So you just want to buy with something, so I don't want to fight me, you know.
So no trust nobody.
No, Mama, just if I miss you.
You don't really want to buy me not right now. I'm belly full. My sister belly full.
No, my belly not full.
Oh, I'm buy the two juice.
Yeah, 5 bag juice. You alright?
Yeah, man, the good.
Where you come from?
Far.
Okay, what's the balance?
Where you come from? Oh, you wanna come from? Wait until the father come. No, no manners. Especially that the one you're gone in first. Like my take 10 man one time. No manners should not got.
I threw my father here, that's why I'm going to take him.
You hear them bride this? Wait until him come.
Come on, be the stars. Jesus.
Oh, my sister.
Yeah. Oh, my sister. Oh, God. You good?
I'm great, man.
You know that much of over here. You mean by, remember me approach you first?
Yeah, but when you say you're a woman, you say, no, you think.
No, I said never think about it.
So you think about it now?
Yeah, but they know.
So what make me ask you hide? What make me here in public and make your people there now?
No, too soon. When I reach them, furthermore in our relationship.
Alright, no problem. So I go over there place and see no TV in your room and no Wi-Fi, what we have to do?
You can do anything you want. It's up to you.
Anything you want. So, at least those are nice though.
Yeah, your room always have the nice stuff.
You can't take off and get a shower.
No. Me not really want to take off my clothes at this time.
So you want to do?
No, child.
Sean!
Girl.
Right.
What? What? Me say me I'll send up to tell you. But Jesus Christ.
So what you gonna say?
Jesus Christ.
Come here.
Wait, give one thing or something. Sit down. Jesus.
I want to.
No, I want to joke with you next to you. No, so why you come so fast?
Me did go nowhere.
No, because when I come in, I not see you, so I wonder where you're gone.
Me did in the front room.
Oh, how you do?
I watch something about my phone, me in charge and me want to borrow that me come back.
Oh.
So you can't move so.
Oh, I look for sitting a while ago. I say me I try surprise, but you feel.
You feel?
Oh. Yes, me I clean up the room and everything.
I first, me say yeah clean up room, so me don't know.
You mean by stop make everything look
no, you clean up room, yes, no, but not all the while.
I always clean up the room.
I let you come like saying now. You know good.
Right now, the place boring.
It's boring for you. Come in and say why you want to come around and say, oh, can never come around this one?
No, brother, remember me just go somewhere. I'm just come back. So me I say, hey, come in see Kayla.
What for you? When you live out of the yard, remember here when you come in?
Remember the door open. The door is already open.
But now, me that walk come in and drop your dirty one. But you not drop no one, they just come in. You're sick. Want some water?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Chat now, okay? Chat, I'm going to come for what you know.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
How are you?
Who are you?
Where you come from?
I come from where? How are you?
Over where? Me talk to you where you come from.
No time to you. Oh, where some I come
Which
from?
one are you them?
The big yard.
That one there?
Yeah, what?
Make sure never me there come from me now.
Where is it?
At the board house, and I see the board house with big AC. It me live in now.
Well, from here now, in the house. So what?
Make sure not over me there come from. You see, if over me there come from, I go set my father upon you. Move from now.
I mean, not even know where you come and ask me I come from, like me owe you something.
Sister girl, me have news to tell you. I know you're ready for that one, yeah. Keisha over there give man bun. And guess who my give man bun to? Who? We don't have a little boy. Boy that can even reach 920s yet.
I like that.
Me say, me see the boy run out of the yard. I'm asking him where I come from. Me say, over there.
Yo.
What a look up in here.
Oh, you so mixed up. Oh, you so mixed up. You're turning back at you, me. Oh, you so mixed up.
I mean,
if Jerry want.
Listen to me. Listen to me, little girl. Your mother in the here right now. So shut your mouth and keep it cool. And then me have to slap you.
Mama.
You hear me say? Go back in the house. Nobody not talk to you.
Go back in the house, yeah, Mama. Turn up. I want to say something to you about that. You see, come out of business can be a little pretty, but watch out now. Man and gland, when me out here, wait till me come.
Wait till me come. Your mother can't put her hand on me. Come in and cool her.
I say no. Me not even go touch you and argue with you.
Go in the house and don't argue with me. Because if from here start underneath you, you start ranking at this, you know.
Mama.
And I might pay this.
Mama, me and your sister good.
Let me know why you're not from you. Can you see you? You're coward.
Wait till your mother come here, go see who are coming.
Your mother?
Yes, wait till she come here, go see who are
Me
coming.
put them out too. And daddy me put out.
Alright, this is what me know.
Where you go?
Mama, me a go road.
Where you go go do?
Oh, me can go. Where do you go road go do?
Later.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good evening. We can get a minute of your time, please.
Come on.
Come on, man. I'll sit me and write that up.
And you want to talk to me?
Oh, give me a minute, please. Beg me, I beg you. Book.
Where's it?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Taylor.
Nice to meet you, Kayla. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David.
Where you from?
Up the road.
Up the road.
Mm-hmm.
Which part of the road?
Over Peter Yard.
I don't know your name, sir.
You know my father, Papa?
What a man they are.
Papa, your father?
Mm-hmm.
So I never see it.
Come in to come and do work, I know ramp. He mad.
So me always hear people and say. So how you there road now?
Come on and breeze out, man. Stretch my long legs there, me then get longer.
I told man, they're long for sure. You come here and look up palm tree. So where you heading to?
One of my friend there, me take me a go. I don't know anywhere my food put me go.
Oh, well, no, I'm telling you, so I like it, yeah.
I know you like it.
Come here, I like it.
Because all my man good for is sober roadside. And look for man. And they just want to jump in them drawers. And no man now can't look me and jump in my drawers.
But first thing you said that all man good for stand up a roadside. Me know they are roadside. Me under one roof.
Are yours?
No, me never.
Alright, still roadside lady.
How am I for the roadside? If rain
still
fall.
road so.
But that I said.
No.
But alright. So me no as I say, just look here and play something there. But me want to get to know you, Kayla. Because you're attractive and something.
Sometimes I want to get to know myself. Me know why you know me. Because my father is a madman. Anyhow, my father never knows me and you thump on the road, yes, so.
No, if I mean to say we're not there.
I hear about it 2 away.
Hear about 2 away. So
yes.
What your father will do?
The pronounce me after when we reach home.
But you don't turn up early. That means you have...
Kind of there right now, in the on the road and you're gonna work.
That means you can't turn up some more and chat then. Come look a bit closer, man.
Don't touch me, man. You make people see. That little man, you want to come touch my body. Don't touch up my body.
Alright.
Yes, what you say?
Me I say you can't come look closer, man. So like for your father.
That is that.
Yeah, I say, what this I shot them, man. I just want me there do woodwork and something, man.
Anyways, that's enough.
Gone. Me I tell you, say, you can't fall a little closer, man. Like how your father is gone at work and you know me and me know you. And now we are friends. We are friends, not so?
Yeah, how much?
Yeah, how much? My age.
What is my age? You're 19, whatever. What, how much?
You're 19.
No, I'm 19.
So you say you're 19?
No, I'm not 19. Me ask you if you're 19. Never say me are 19. Me ask you your age. What is your age? You don't have an age.
Me ain't see your age.
Me would never be same age.
So you how much then? You're going like me and I said age.
I could pick me at 18.
Sorry, me do 17.
You're 17? Yeah, little boy, you want to call me a little boy? No, nobody.
Yeah, yeah. So, alright. So, then I have to look at him. But me I can't be friends, not sure.
Yeah, man. But me can no long time to look at me do with my father.
Alright. Cut you can know, sir. You can't get a number then.
No, next time we say get me number. Me can't get no number right now.
Alright, take my number then, no.
Took me don't go your number, you hear me say?
Take my number.
No, when me take your number, me reach, when me to me hand, you're texting. I don't want no man. Listen to me. Education is the key. You say, oh no big man, I don't go sir. It's stop on roadside and look people girl pick me.
No.
Yes.
No.
And that's all I don't go for. Look people girl pick me and take people girl pick. Idiot.
Take the number.
No, I mean nah make no man take me for no idiot.
Alright, what about Instagram? You got Instagram now?
No, I don't use Instagram, I don't use WhatsApp, I don't use nothing. Right, cause education is the key. Me think they can't be something good. They tell me something what makes sense. Me think you tell me. But you not tell me nothing sense.
Alright, Kayla. Me no want to
You just you have work?
Yeah.
You get mad and feed woman, you're on the road looking woman.
But me never tell you something I look at. Me just tell you something I want to get to know you.
I don't, once you want to get to know me, I look you, me know say I look me.
Me nah
I
look
don't, good, don't look me. You go on like say, you know smart, you don't smart, you on the roadside want to look people, girl pick me, and you look me now, you can't go and abandon the house, go do things. And then you hear me name all over the neighborhood. No.
Sweetheart. I would never.
You know, Keith.
Okay, alright, I'll see you again. So, boy, you feel like a getaway?
Sean, yeah. I'm up on the other here. Oh, yeah, go. You won't do it, man. I'm gonna get some stuff for you. So, alright, be safe.
Hello. You don't see a step in there. I feel like you want to tell where you go to. You don't see where?
You're lucky I'm out. Anyways, I don't watch your plate the man cook.
You want to push your plate
down?
I not tell where you go.
You don't even know me, I go little girl.
You will dress up too. Where you go?
No worry yourself. Just do myself with it.
No, you're right. Tell her that.
So she come back home, say play them wash, and Sean gets something to eat.
Sean not get nothing yam.
You don't talk.
Go here, play hard to get on your area.
Everything is fine. Sit up. Say good.
My girl, man, you good?
I mean, me say no.
Let me see.
Yes, I'll do one day, me never see you, but let me see.
You did miss it, though.
If I miss you, then make yourself available for see me.
Ain't sure where the pan.
Remember me the pan?
You have to invite him, but say, I can't say, hey, can I come over? And but say, always I say, oh, my dad's a bad man and all them type of stuff.
Daddy got work. You can call me phone, you know, so me have a phone.
You know what, one of your father or something like that.
No, nobody answer my phone. My father not so mad.
But you know for that. So you call me by your phone.
Come over here. Come that?
Come now.
Work out daddy bed.
Work out daddy bed. So I can eat all the cookies.
Alright.
No. You can do more now too.
Girl! Me say me have something to tell your mama.
Me have to tell me. So why me can't come in?
Somebody has to come here. Yeah, look, I can eat the bed at all.
One day me the bed that
Come on.
Where and stay?
Oh. You can't good, girl.
You know, something like how you have from morning.
No, from morning.
How weird. Anyways.
Yeah, just what me believe, you know.
So.
You know what I know, say. Me see the little boy we talk about forever they go over the woman yard.
Yeah, it's a chicken.
Yes. While ago me they come see the boy run like a lightning. Pass me, zoop.
Well, I'm phone. I come in for plug in and come back up in early business about that. As you did say, we are like a picnic come out of big people business.
Alright.
You go shit.
Alright, don't bug your toilet like me do yesterday. Father.
Yeah, payment there, man, but me as a like you, more can't see you more often. Me not like after meet up in a some local strange location.
But, I don't know if you can tell us, because I don't know things that I do.
Me understand, but still, you know. I like me a complain, because I'm glad she can see you just the same, but...
Right, at least you see me. Some woman not even see them, man. I'm glad me I see you say that. I know me head happen. I don't know if I guess not have her, so.
So you eat from morning?
Yeah, me eat in the morning, yes. Me drink and cook food.
I don't know then, babes. You can't eat 3 green leaf and sit. One of them must fix up.
Me I go that about green leaf.
Oh, yes, but we feel uneasy and something like that. Me normal do. And when these things just rub it on me, I mean,
That a bees. When bees are was bad, you know, if rub it green, it 3 different type of grass, so it stink can't come out.
No, still. So, maybe I forget some pill. Or maybe
would I be eating?
Eat. Maybe I just want to go and go lie down then.
Alright, bees.
Alright, come give me out.
It feels so good, though.
It smells nice too. I can't go out then.
You are going so quick.
I'll go quick, but I don't want to leave you alone. I don't want to leave you sitting there.
Wow.
I don't want to leave you. You head at you?
No, your company me need. My head kind of wet since I pick my up here. Now if your body cool it down there.
I call one man and throw me a very Louis Vuitton. You slap in your nose and kill you. But, yes, I know this about I have to do it.
Alright.
Have to.
Later.
Come on, yeah? Alright.
Yes, sir. Come to my yard right because I can't move water. Man.
Get up.
What's wrong with it?
What do you think of it?
Good.
Anti nothing.
No.
I should have this me have on the road for
No,
butter
your
you.
mother?
With what? See me not see you with my man Davy.
No, someone off with you.
And my man that. I'm going to catch me my
I
road.
never ball of hell. Just on time from ball of hell.
Ball of your hell.
On time, mate.
Hold on. No, you're ball of your hell. Hold on.
No, someone off with you, that girl. I swear to God, someone off with you. Ed! Ed!
Your mouth not hurt you?
No. No, come out of this. I'm not even no junk. Come tell me if this stuff. I don't want that dirty nasty food. You're poisoning.
I'm not talking to you. Come.
You don't want your food. I don't want your food.
Man you want? Man you want to get?
God.
You want food?
Help! Come on.
Ball again, let me box off your head. Ball again. Shut up. I for ball. Nobody not hero.
Nobody's junk.
I up
Dirty
on the
pigs.
hilltop with them, mama. You don't realize over there? About Peter old house. Where Peter and that try to do it and it not work.
Me have to come out of this place, I know.
But anyway,
By the hook or the cook. Me have to come out of here, so.
I'm a man, me I go look for, but me say me I come give some food. You want food?
Me don't want your food.
Alright then.
Box it out.
You know what I will eat it. If you look and say make your food come give you. Where really I do with me, man? Oh, that to me is the time. When me come in at the house and you run me out and hide me. I am in there?
Me don't know. Don't ask me nothing.
Oh, you
I
know.
come out of this.
Alright. Tomorrow me see you. Get some spaghetti for you. Wait, me forget something. Is it all you have to take off in this time? When you love someone, the way I love the boy, I have to tie you up. Can I make you take him from me? When you love someone, give me my phone, I go eat it. Still okay. When you love someone. He come again, enough makes me stand by your mouth. Wake up. See that? That's water. It's been 2 days now since you done bathe. You're nasty, man. Anyways.
You know, they come like they set upon me.
This man, you have to think about it. All your mother look fair now. Me tell them, girl, you don't want to know me a ball.
You know,
Ala, wala. Wicked what?
Me tell me, I have to come out here. And the same time I come out here, they make them know you. And me make them go to prison.
Mama, every day, daddy they worry like say you're relevant. Huh? And then make so what if you me see true me can't cook. Me teeth out the spaghetti.
No fry up. No, I'm not fry up. Right. Cause me have to come out by the
Yeah, cause you show me can't cook, you eat it raw. Open up, mama, open up.
Why you don't them raw?
Me eat
Why you
food
don't them
this
raw?
morning.
Nemo the fish. Why you don't them raw?
It's not me. Whoa, Lord Jesus.
Why you don't know me raw?
You're full of tough chat. You're full of tough chat.
If God say this, me have on this, you know. Hey, me use a stone and bust your face, yeah?
Boy, you want man. Man, I don't even waste my spaghetti for you.
No. So your time, you tell me say your time.
Man, you want? Yes! Man, you love too much man.
Yo, and then you fling me around. Alright. Remember, no, karma is a bee, you know. Karma is a bee. You're not going to call a bee, baby.
Come up, man. Drink some water.
No water, man.
You never see me take you and dash in your yaya.
God.
Come.
No water! You know what? Come on. We don't want to eat now.
Come on.
Spaghetti pool. Come on.
Ma, look how you eat spaghetti.
Yeah, so you feel here. I see you feel that way.
I'm pretty. Yeah, laugh with me. You know to sing about it too? I am the one here. I'm gonna laugh with you. I am the one to your opinion. You're blind in Papa for.
Come on.
Look.
I'll tell me they want the good
Look here.
people.
Idiot.
Oh my God. Me I beg you please, I know one day me shall come out of this year. And the way me I go deep, me I go butter. Just wait.
Okay, go meet your brother.
You finally settle down, my sister.
Yeah, girl. Then me must have to settle down.
Me have a fear full time now.
Yeah. See him there.
Him
Cut up
this.
the yeah. Babes. See your sister-in-law here. Thais TV.
Nice. Pagwana good.
Yeah, man, nice to meet you.
Where you come from?
Be where you mean by saying
Country
where
me
you
come from.
Country.
Yeah.
Where that have to do with where you come
What you
from.
mean about where that have to do?
So where's so much information for babes?
But I just want to know.
So when you come
You
here?
come here yesterday.
Oh.
So babes, you're up on the roadside and do some work.
Just there easy but man.
That me not like with as
Like
man.
a jacket man, or you black or you brown and she black.
Different father. You ever come with something?
I say funny.
Bad clown. So be you happy?
They are money I deal with.
Nothing. They are hungry.
Hungry.
They say they love how me settle down. They
Be
never
your
believe
man
in me.
full time now.
They never believe in me, so I could have settle down.
A good thing that man.
Yeah. So
So I deal with. Don't
me
know what.
hungry.
You hungry too? Your
Yeah,
sister
man.
hungry?
Then if me hungry. Then if me hungry, she no more hungry.
So no one will get something eat, one want to eat.
So you could cook something.
Like what?
Anything. Mackerel and rice, anything or fast. You see you ever want to come and me at Konya, man, me never can get food from here yet though.
Yeah, we are going to do. We are going over to cook some food.
You sure she a cheat alright, you know? Yeah, man.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, girl. So,
Just
you see me tell you, say a good boy.
Yeah, me open my treat alright. I'm happy to see you second
Don't
down.
wash up the plate, man. Thing.
Yeah, babes, the food nice, no? It's nice.
Sure,
Mackerel and rice nice, yeah.
Nice.
You know, say you're ungrateful.
I'm not ungrateful, sister, just the truth.
What should I say? Salt.
Say food, salt, and the rice.
No
tough.
offense. Name me if you're offending or no offense.
Big chef. You look for
No, man, right, it's salt too. And tough.
But I can never go look something else eat them.
I can't see me, do you want to know?
So I can never go and go buy KFC, girl. You like me, that you don't know any limit. You don't have no conscience.
Man over me?
You know this, my man. Him never this you. Are you
You
first?
just know him and you know me all your life, girl. I can't do that.
A joke thing this, brother. God, no. I'm sorry.
No offense, and I'm sorry. But I just the
This
truth.
a girl that can't serious.
Where you get
Yeah,
this
and
sister
serious
from?
body, no?
I truth.
Girl, better you go on.
Where you get this sister from?
Better you go on. Come, better you
That's
go
why I mean, I
on.
like
No, you
to
know what?
be
You
truth.
get dark and corrupt. Yo,
So babe, say
take him
all
out
of
of
this
me.
up.
Take him out of
So
me.
be you all of this
Sarah, me
up.
now.
Me not like, take him out of me.
You not like him?
Me not, take him out of me.
Come carry me home.
Bring him home.
Follow me go.
Follow him go. Me not like him.
You see, you're too enough. Come out and play
I
hard.
just the truth, you know.
Come out and play hard, man.
I mean,
Why you do that there for?
Me never make me do
So where that for?
Sorry, man.
Come. Yes. Sister, which one this?
Me don't know him.
Look like he have money.
He look so yes, like
Watch
my
out.
exercise.
Watch.
Yeah.
Watch. How a mad man this?
No one like he have money. I see some mad people them
Watch out.
bad.
What's up, ladies?
Nothing. Good morning.
You all good?
Yeah, we good.
You look rich.
Huh?
You have
look
money.
rich.
Money?
You have money, you look man. Go
Me
inside.
no woman, but me have money.
Man just
Money
say
is no
hi, but
problem
him
to me.
rich.
Oh, you have money.
We are born in California, but
I
I'm
like.
in Jamaica for 6 months now. Oh no, hold on, when it come on to touching my body,
You see me with man, girl?
I who that chocolate girl around about there?
Hey! I baby this. I'm a little sister.
Oh, you look like Oreo, dude. And teeth white and
Hey,
in
hey.
the black out.
You love man. Let me carry a road for. Ciao.
So anyway, where you from? Where you from around here?
Up the road, sir.
Up the
I
road?
come from my mother, but I live up there, sir.
Oh, brilliant girl.
Yeah.
So, you single?
Me? Then me could I really have relationship in this time, I'm single.
Woman like who me like, cause me like when me I spend my dollars.
I ain't not for about nobody else. No, really.
Eh? True?
Yeah.
Alright, so you are. Take my number and you add me on WhatsApp.
No, I couldn't phone me. Can you mine?
No, let me tell you my California number, you call me.
Me say, me no walk with my phone, I can give you mine.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
There's plenty more where this fun come from, you know. I know the one.
Me name Shan.
Okay, Sean.
Yeah.
Nice name with a ring to it.
Yeah.
Alright, don't take care, ladies. I'll take you guys out for breakfast or lunch or dinner. Anyone of them, just let me know. And
All
I will
three.
have that done.
All three,
All who?
All three.
No problem. The money is there, fully allowed, but you're looking nice still.
Thank you.
And I like you. You look nice. You look like it here is very expensive.
Yeah, how many else to have clothes?
Your clothes. So how much you pay for it?
That you know about that.
So,
When the time for your pay fee too, you know.
Okay, no problem. I call me in the morning, so
You have my number, you have to text me
I
and
call
call.
in the morning. You see, your beauty does control my mind. I can't remember anything, you know. But I call you, I like that. And your sister is so gorgeous too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Focus on me, not she.
Oh, I'm focused.
Yeah.
Same mother, same father?
No.
Oh, you're
Same mother, but different father.
Oh, different father.
Yeah.
Oh, your mother have a touch.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I'll see you girls tomorrow.
You want a hug?
No, I'm good. I'm sweaty. I'm exercising. So
Okay.
keep chat along.
Alright.
Okay. Chat along.
Bye.
Chat along. Okay, bye.
Bye. Yeah. See you. With what? Where I come, bo? Then I go on. See you? You don't have no limit.
No, tell your man, it's true.
Tell which man? You give me man?
You know, just a come from pay money.
Hey, girl, shut your mouth.
You tell him man, say, no man.
Hey, not even out your mouth. Me a bigger one. Me take any amount of man me want take. You know want take my man too. You chat too much. That video.
Me with a single could
have rascal. Coupon this a mix up one ya.
I wish I come for a toothbrush in the mouth.
I walk a little people business par road.
I'm not brushing teeth.
Motel TV.
Motel him?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. We are going to tell him so.
My business with TV. And you're too enough. You're going to start stay home. I'm serious about it, you know.
Me not come back up here yet.
Nah, can't go nowhere again. You love man too much, you want little girl. I say your friend, they jump.
Me not come back.
Watch him. Make sure say you don't come back.
Nah, come back.
Make sure say you don't come back.
I mean, what tell TB?
Then you don't go tell TB. You don't know if you find TB, girl.
What tell him?
Go on.
What? No say. I wake up to brush my teeth and water gone. It's like a God make water gone in my yard.
Probably soon come back, man.
Me not want to come back yet.
Why?
Guess who me see on the road?
Who?
Your woman.
My woman.
Yes, your woman. A cost over man.
You're
Which
mad, man.
who want the man from who don't want him?
You're not see good, man. You just left your same man and sister.
One little black girl. Me say me see them down the road and she they cuss the black girl and say if you could make me get the man. I cannot hear.
Which part?
Right down a lane mouth.
You sure you see good? You
Like me we are good. If me name we are good, that mean me we are good. 4 finger that.
How a man look?
A man, me never see man. Me just did walk past and hear them a cuss. But who did want the man from who never want the man and who have them man from who not have them man?
Probably I me them a cuss over, man.
Me not think of you.
I me man, I me them a cuss
So
over.
your sister want you?
Me no know, no.
Me not think of you. Cause the man them a cuss but the sister want. You know no sense. Anyways, that's why water me come back for brush my teeth. Cause me they tell you say the girl they done the road a cuss over man. And you gonna say I must you them a talk about. If I did you would have feel like they would have on the side of cuss.
Anyways, look how much shop your passy come. You couldn't buy one bottle of water.
Give me money, me go buy a bottle of water. Cause the news me can't come again and charge me a charge. Money.
So where you have man for?
Who tell us me have man? I don't live with a man, I don't have a man. That's why I don't know what I mean.
What you look for brush your teeth and mix up your comfy?
Me comfy mix up and collect water.
You know, come out of me yard. Come on, come
Say no believe me.
Come out of me yard and come and come chat about the woman.
I want your woman breathe on you, see. I want him breathe on you and give you jacket, you. I want you get a jacket.
My woman, and me my woman that cuss over.
You have money for your woman cuss over you. Every day there now you want polar slides. Go on here.
Go about the business. Bright thing, come on, come chat about my. Go and go wash your dirty mouth. Bright thing. Come on, chat about my woman.
No, boss.
Yeah, man, where you come from?
No, so one bike, I go fix up, dog. Try to get a piece of bike. I just put it on pocket same way.
Yeah, fix bike, man.
I mean.
No, so you should have pull up look earlier, do dog.
So, but what you go and do?
The sister, my woman sister come a while ago, you know?
Woman sister?
Yeah, the two of them too. My woman bring her sister come a while ago, brother. Well, his sister look like him well want a man, dog.
Which one of them like?
See me woman sister.
Which one of your sister them? The thick one or
the black one? Oh. Look like him well want a man, then just left her and cook give them, but his sister, yeah, my woman sister saying no like his food is salt and it. So me run her out of my yard. But probably a link can set between you and her.
Yeah man, because me not gonna use no salt then ital.
Alright, my boy, good. I but he can't come back in my yard though.
Come for food salt.
Yeah, in disrespect, my bro. Me not take disrespect. You have to go bring her to your yard now.
Why? Being this me too?
No, probably not. Probably not like me or me don't know.
Me don't know. Probably like you and just don't want to show.
Alright, but
you can't. Alright, just try to build something for me there.
Probably then soon forward because they gone on the road to come back. Or me don't know if me woman bring her sister gone home to come back. But so now we go chat to female woman if you're serious.
It made me serious, daddy, but what going for your food? You that shit,
no man, the food finished, man.
I know some people come every day, yeah, I know some people left with food, dog.
I never know say that pull up, so dog. We can cook some more food, look more, I say, you know. Cause, yeah. So you're good though.
More side.
Why, man, well want to get more.
Oh Lord, yes. Woo. Hey, what's up?
Jamaica full of mad people.
You're really right for true, but yeah, anyway, I'm not in the mood for any mad people or any this, but you're looking so beautiful. A shorty like you I would want in my bedroom, you know, to be my wife. You look like your hairstyle too. Your hairstyle look fabulous. Nice and short.
Your mouth sweet.
With what?
With lyrics. I see you talk to people get pitney and go in and them panty and then ignore them call.
No, sweetie, I'm not like that.
So call your mouth sweet, your pocket sweet?
Money is no problem. Me, when I fall in love, I spend money. That's how I stay. But if you're gonna love me for my money, why sense go into a relationship?
We get the money.
So what? So you love the money more than me?
Me don't know you. Me know money.
So
anyway, what you do?
No, man, I exercise because I was in California. So I'm.
Oh, you're from California?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'm in Jamaica now for 6 months. So I'm exercising. Out here it's hot. In California it's cold. Hold on.
No, it's not your phone, it's mine.
Oh, your iPhones?
Yes, I have an iPhone.
Oh, then a girl like you want, man, so we can FaceTime.
Hello, I'm kind of busy at the moment. Okay. Yes, as you were saying now.
I like, you know, me and you can FaceTime, me and you can do, you know, we can have kids.
My phone is really so up there that I buy more a new one. Sorry, like a yearns with the.
Oh, 3 camera.
Yeah.
You like the 3 camera?
Yeah.
Okay, I can get you 11.
11 only have 2 cameras.
No, Pro Max.
Have that one them one like that one there. Yes.
Let me just know you?
No, I never say if you buy me no.
Oh.
I tell them my wish list.
Okay.
Yes, you feel like you want my number.
Oh, you're right, you know. You're right. So, you come from around here?
Yes, we live right up the road and the third pan the hill and go down.
So why you live in the ghetto?
You want to take me out?
Sure.
Okay, no problem.
Why don't you live in the city?
You have to pay for the city. You have to pay for it for me.
I don't have no problem as long as you're loyal. You ever have a man before?
No, pay a little boy.
Oh. Little boy? As in little school boys? Oh, them are good them, man. Me secure. Them not no money, me good. So, when can I take you for lunch?
Anytime you're ready, just call me.
All right.
Until even later.
No, it won't be later and it won't be tomorrow. Because I have a meeting tomorrow. So, I'll check you down in the week.
All right, no problem. Just call me. I'm going back down the road now.
So, what's your name?
My name is Shanice.
Oh, Shanice. Shanice. No problem.
All right, later.
Yeah. Oh, Lord. What's those big ass, girl? God. Woo!
Sis, come boyfriend, they wait for me. Babes, what happened?
What's she doing now?
Be with me by when my sister. Look how long that passed, brother.
Tell her, I don't want back your sister in
But
the
she be my sister anyway, me go come.
She a complain about my food, say me right salt.
And he never salt. Me say he no salt. The woman say no salt. Why your problem?
What not do ya?
What you mean by what uno do ya? Uno, Samina ito.
What you mean? Can me tell her, say me don't want your sister, your brother.
Me and my sister. What's wrong with that, baby?
Right,
You don't miss me.
Me no must miss you. You call and I gone.
Because stay there for today.
So come on, we'll go inside and talk with your style.
Sis.
So me don't like you.
Well, I'm from a phone for me.
So you give your sister a phone for?
So babes, what you mean by when I give my sister my
Where I
phone?
give your sister your phone for?
Because him out there so boring and he not no phone.
Yo, come on, yeah, man. Come on.
You lock the door?
Me no must lock the door.
What I do?
Hello?
Hello?
I'm in California.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
I'm here. How you doing?
You and your sister still up for lunch?
No, she won't be able to make it, but I will come by myself.
All right. Meeting same place out of the front. So I can take you, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
See you soon.
All right. See you soon.
Okay.
Sister.
Eh?
Your phone ring a while ago.
No, man, your phone no ring.
Eh?
You no ring.
What do you mean by say phone ring?
Check it, no ring.
Me hear your phone ring.
I know it no ring.
Oh, you know ring?
No.
What you gonna do now?
I say me I go down and come back.
There.
Me I go down and come back. What I go do?
Be there with my man.
Time for cook some food.
Cook some? Who push food? Anywhere they go. Let me tell you this. You see anywhere they go?
B, you know say if it, babes.
Anywhere they go, you better eat. You think
B, making tan now.
You think me go cook no more food for you for this time? You tell me say my food fresh.
So you still feel offended?
Anywhere they go, you better eat it.
Cook, all you do improve this time.
Babe, no bother with the food.
What you mean me not feel bother with it?
What's the man like how you stay?
Where should they go?
He say they go down my yard.
I go down my yard and come back.
Go on.
Cook local food.
Go on.
Take before I go with your phone.
Go on.
Later, here, sis.
Yo, me say me spirit just can't take a sister in a bit.
Me tell us you
Yo,
pick me, brother.
Bro, picnic.
Come, we could go finish where we did
Picnic, I
start.
know picnic, brother.
Come,
No,
go finish
come on.
where we did start now. We just a go on to.
Girl, how are you doing, so? Yeah, right? Yeah, girl. I want to tell you something.
So if you let me start,
I have news.
what kind of news have you tell me now?
Girl, we can't be rich. When you see the big house up there, so my father have it and him have no US money and he tell me say he might give me $500 me so I can treat myself, girl. So, but you know your thing, you can come help me take out some money too, because he's not always there on. Him always leave the yard. I know where him go, but him always leave the house. So, you know. You ask question, what?
Where for get money from? Where for get money from?
Me don't know. Me don't know where he get money from, but him have plenty.
You can must split it up. 50,
Yeah.
50.
So now that me I go do. So that's what me I say. Instead of me do 50-50, me can go up to the house and take out some wallet and, you know,
Buy clothes.
do hair and nails.
Party.
Yes, girl. You know the drill. But anyways, you want me to show you the house?
Papa.
Because you're not going to know it. So I'm going to show you the house. Go on, come on. Because you have no money. The house, yeah? And the house, my bill. Yes, girl. You don't see it.
They can't me. They can't. You can't look relaxing on themselves for that, you know what I mean?
You should say you can manage him.
Yes, girl.
Yeah, I must slime it in. You should say you can manage my father.
You will thick.
Well thick.
Alive.
I don't know what I said, but let me set it up on him. If I call it stepmother, I'm not nice step thing.
Girl, I forgot the work. No matter what.
Yeah, but I'm do work. We continue to be as friends, party out and every single thing.
Right, that's all.
A big house. And my room, I'm gonna be right this is so I'll have a walk-in closet, girl.
Alive.
Everything up and running. But anyways, by the time now, my father's supposed to soon come on. But I know but me I go down there so. I mean we are gonna look down there so come on. Can't believe my father have no US that I know. Hi girl, I'm a friend. My father, my stepfather, a big house up there so I have no US that so I'm gonna give me $500 to take out myself. She won't come with me so you know? And she like my father. So I'm gonna try to set him up.
So you got a plan for thief for your father?
No, he might give me money. But little later she not have none, so I'm not gonna go, you know, in wallet.
That one your body fully dusty because she look up and down for me like she say I wash me because she look up and down for me. I will take the clothespin and clip up on your big broad nose.
Girl, she soon become a stepmother. Stop doing like that.
Come here, let me talk to you. Come here, let me talk to you. Not talk to you. Why you they walk home and tell people say your father have money? You know your father do fi have money?
No.
You know if I sacrifice all your mother what? Oh God. My condolence to your mother. What gone? You never sacrifice your mother? So you walk around and tell people say your people have money. You know how hard your father work for the money?
Or you saying work hard?
You think say just get up and pick up money off a tree? Listen to me. I up your father and say me they walk go beg some bleach because me wash out my white clothes them. But what I say to you say? San, stop for that little girl. Cause by the looks of that child, she like she give me a problem. I'm respect as a young lady, your father grow right. You hear me say? So please, me I beg you not follow her. You hear? San, girl. I'm me actually. Join me.
But come on, Renee.
Oh, come on, Renee. I'm opening a batty hole. Come on, Renee, help you out of the batty hole.
No, I'm not getting a no batty hole because she's soon to be my stepmother. Anytime when I need money, we can go to she or I'm going to stepdaddy.
So it's a little 17-year-old, yeah? You get your papa?
She wants him, so why not?
And you don't have no ambitions if you go to a book.
What is more book? Book can help me.
She want money.
So you feel to say when you get money from us, you got to feel your life depend on man. You can't depend on man. You cannot depend on man.
Oh, you know what?
Because if you don't have no education, no man, no one don't get you can't help your man.
You father have money.
Oh.
Money.
Money.
Money, girl.
Money can't run out.
No.
Mary says an idiot. Mary say all the power nowadays is be buffoon. Be stupid people.
I know I'm school.
It's no sense. Let me tell you more for everything. I don't know sense now.
Girl, it's so hot.
Me need to have a word with your father because you don't know sense. Ah, you look where you in up on the road, shut up something.
But who tell us some first
Go on
my
your
father
back
not
and
gonna
flat
call
like a pancake when you drop it in the pot to fry it.
You have a problem?
Eh?
You have a problem? Who tell
You
us
just
some
every
father
time
not
for you
call
come in and look up and down on me. Yeah, what? Yes, I look up and down, Pam. What is the problem? 100 they want. You see your damn nose big like a dragon nose? Yeah. Only thing left here that blow a fire. No boy ever say you're young girl. Look at carry yourself. Look at you look hook at
I'm
them.
driving a Benz and I get the Benz I want to pick her up too. I'm sure I want to pick her up.
Jealousy.
Bye girl. Oh God. Daddy! Yeah, me my friend hang out.
We are on the road.
Me a follow go down here, so.
Have respect.
You know, I met that 500 years old reach me.
Listen, we'll go send it to you. Hey, control it.
She said she like you, Daddy.
How can I find this?
Oh, you have money. Where do you think girl want nowadays?
Hello, this is 15 Pro Max. Be yourself.
Can I have one?
I'm boxing your fart. Respect
Sound to me. Sound to me.
Respect the elder.
Daddy,
please.
Daddy, look here.
Yes, sir.
Look
ass.
Look ass one there.
Me glad me the right ass. Look for me good.
Me look on you, Daddy.
Why you elder think you can show me your ass and tell me say me want her? You idiot?
No, Daddy. But she said she like you.
Like what?
She like you. You can't stop me from liking
Go
you.
and like yam, carrot and cucumber Irish. You don't like me.
So wrong with you.
Yo, where you
Daddy.
go by the way? Where you go by the way?
Me go follow go down the road, don't you, sir?
You do my type of friend you want?
No, I'm a school friend. A long time I know her. Daddy, me my 500 years old. So you say give me to go shop.
Go and share your account.
So my share it.
Alright, bye, Daddy. Bye.
Tell me your pipe in the
Alright, later, Daddy. Me soon come home.
Don't make 5 o'clock to step on the road.
Alright, 5 o'clock won't catch me. Bye, Daddy.
I just send him there. She not there here. She not there. She not there. Yeah, yesterday. She never there here. Every day you come a beat on the one door.
Hi, Mommy.
What?
Me have news to tell you.
What you have to tell me?
First, she's my friend, new friend. But anyways,
come with a different friend.
Daddy, they run us up, live in a big mansion.
Your father run us live in a big mansion.
And look how we live in now.
So when your father get mansion?
I know the house not done bill yet. And it's gonna give me $500 for him. Go treat myself, me and my friend.
$500?
You know the manners.
Good evening, sir.
So, you never remember that when you step in
Never tell my mother the good news.
So, not even your mommy and tell good evening or nothing.
Used to it. Good evening, mommy.
Your friend on the mouth.
How? It matter who him be, just say even and done.
Right, the palm property you can ask boy who him.
She's supposed to be my stepmommy. To have manners too. I got driving a Benz.
This a magic here?
Yeah, shut up my father.
Your father like this a magic here?
No, she look him, but him not want tie.
Well, you need to look better neither, although. Talk to your
I had a proud to say this up in here, look your father. You want same age group pick me as you. Be a father, be a stepmother?
No, she's not going to be sorry. We're going to hang out as friends here, me.
Come here, so. You name from morning?
No, mommy.
You dey walk up and down from the road, though? What you do? What you do?
Wake up and bed. Wash my teeth and go.
You work? You got food?
No, not every day.
Look so.
Not every day.
Every day.
So I'm saying I got food every day, you don't go every day.
I got my friend. She always have bad days.
So, babes, you teach her how to dress?
Me?
Let's see her color put
Look
together
for me, I
like
look
you.
for him.
Your father, you get the dressing from? I have your father, you get the dressing from, because
Okay.
them a mismatch sitting here so much. How much color you know? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 13 color.
No, don't.
Let that tip somebody.
Yeah, I'm here. Come see you, man. So, where you come from? Where you come
Who
from,
come-
big?
Who come to my mother news? I'm not nothing for big.
And you know, into your going to mommy and big girl is a come big something. Yeah, your hungry belly friend them.
Not for you. You're gonna need money.
Yeah,
Go and get the million.
Same thing.
Well, me not have no money, you know. So, you go back to your father, and tell you to give you money, and you're gonna. And you say I'm gonna send the money in my account, but I'm not coming in my account. Wait for it to come in your account. Okay. You know, so you need to take up in your hand, but how you get you know, you're not busy with that, you know, that they gone through the gate, so when I look your big old cooper.
Your friend name?
Renee.
Renee. So you plan to Renee be a stepmom?
No, at first, I never want it, but she explained it to me. Say she not for be my stepmother, so she can hang out and party and things.
Oh, so.
Because I take for the money. So she not take what you forget idiot, you know what I'm saying? You don't use this.
I hear him apart, like I told Jezebel Road.
No, she give me the money.
Come on.
No be a idiot.
Where you come from?
She dey start take your father money, she will take it for herself. She not take it for you and her. You go take your father with her? Okay. She not take it for you and her. Whatever she do, I pick she and she only. Wise up.
Okay, honey. Girl, she never take her father money and give me none?
She not tell her. What kind of boot to this me have? How me get her from?
You know. Yes, I'm talking about sky.
I'm more stop on the time. I could not tell me at all at all.
You can't get her some what she look thirsty.
No, I'm not gonna buy one pair of I want.
I'm trying to with her chew them all long and so and I chew for them. I'm not eat for money.
You know, me no but she, but me.
I'm giving me card.
Yeah, give me no card, this and I come back with it.
Me will come back with it.
I'm not pretty good. Forget more of that. I say it too. I'm so excited.
Daddy make you come back over here, so.
How are you that?
Who tell us say is the daddy?
Brighty.
You live with him.
My people can't ugly so. Ramp with me. Your face I'm bright about daddy. Oh, you can't.
Hi, but you don't look better.
My people foot can't full of so much ear. My people don't wear Crocs.
But you don't look better. I still shoes. I remember mama can't afford.
Shoes. My people only wear shoes when I go out. You know wear shoes in the yard. My people wear so much color.
I close them name.
I have a pendant and shit. I must say mad.
But I mean,
daddy. Now babes out.
But me in a Crocs.
It's that different babes. It's a Crocs. That's not a Crocs.
Wait, what else? You know what is?
Crocodile at babes. Oh, baby.
But the way you have on your foot, you can't put your foot there. You can't lotion your foot too.
Bright things, you look at those ones and something for the quality. So I mean, Gucci.
Anyway, me not come about you.
Bright things, you can buy everything when you're in.
I tell you, daddy, I own this as strong pound money and we live in a this. You need to step up your game. That's why we need she.
That's why we need she?
Yes.
Also a team we recruit.
We need money.
What am I talking about?
So now give me a card if I can buy something.
Yeah, which card?
Where did I go?
My follow she go down there, sir. So she'll go down there for follow her.
Hey, like you say weed fine, I can
Me can't deal with this one.
I
make sure say you reach back on your people and me call you man the day. Yeah, you hear me say?
When I get the money, I can give you something. You know what I mean?
She not get come on.
Okay.
Bye,
mommy. Bye, sir. Lotion your foot.
Come by me, take yourself and go learn to dress. Babes, I forgive one bit of picking in your life. You can't get that.
You like more people?
If me then look at eat that boy, the breed up. You know, say that nonsense. Kind of money when I spend for you and I love you up, babes. You know, want me breed us.
You come go lie down.
You don't you. We can't leave the yard in peace.
Daddy, hi.
Yeah, hi.
I don't know where my just come from.
We have walk up and all over the globe with all this one.
I'm a friend, but not nobody else to walk up with.
Yes, I'm going to look good for you.
No, you come out look good for the fly them. Hey, ginger fly, I was slapping the head with the phone, you know. Hello.
Oh.
control
The
it.
money, Daddy. The money.
Oh,
Not reach my account yet.
Oh, the 500 US. I'm there about me right now. Talk to.
You can't let it go to your pocket now. Just give me.
No,
I'm can't go to a line.
listen, where you going to 500 US? And that more I know from no. Because you see, you know. Girl, if it.
Me have enough. Girl, let me follow that over. I'm talking. I want the money me I get. So, I use half to treat myself. I'm going to save the rest.
I'm going to save the rest?
Yes.
You use half to treat yourself?
Yes.
And you're going to save the rest?
Yeah, girl, I'm going to tell you I'm going to save the rest.
What is 250? How much you calculate to?
I don't know. She want money too, so I have to give her.
Huh?
She want money too.
So you have to take my...
Mommy want money to build big mansion and look where we live in now.
Listen, I hear mommy choose to go live with man, you know. Your mother choose to go live with man.
That not say...
I never put out your mother, so don't talk.
That not say about that.
Your mother never knows that me have money until to the day, yeah. And then you are lavish and I tell everybody. You is the father of everything. That's why you see you. You see you.
We need the money. We need the money so they can feed me. She tell me I see me go to school every day. She not no money. She mumble.
Let me ask you a question. Your mother ever seen her go to school? No, me seen her go to school. No, my money seen her go to school. No, my money go to supermarket and buy. Look here. You're colorful. What kind of dress in there?
Buy me papa clothes. I said all the clothes my basket and I have to wear. See, I think mommy boyfriend
what type of friend are you the parole? In a
yeah,
short,
chop, but what is?
Meaning blouse and tight.
So you want me to dress too? No, Daddy, me don't mean it like that.
You don't mean it like what?
Me don't mean it like that. She can't ask for my colorful clothes, so I can't ask her one question if I say you want me to dress because she's not colorful.
That is not qualified of dressing.
Then what is it?
Then the clothes that's when you go to your bed.
So, I don't mean that, I even just
I still feel like I said the whole of the picnic in the yard, they broke with mad disease. Go on up, please. I beg you, I don't care this gun yard. Go up.
Just shall we pray in your bedroom.
I'll box out your teeth then before you leave. Go on.
Alright, bye, Daddy. Go on, juice. If I buy juice, don't get so for me.
For mixed tongue. Go on.
And the money, remember.
I want to go to the bank. You know. Look at girl, go on up.
Okay.
Drag your ass, go.
Alright, girl, come. What? What? What am I going to take from my father? What you say I'm going to give me money?
You know what I'm saying? You have to get every $1. Find somebody who wants us and sell it out. And when you're done, you can move on.
So why not me keep it?
Oh, you mean you too?
Yeah.
It's enough for now. So, you really take boots up for your friend to go up your father?
You hear me tell her say why me not do it?
Son, you look like young and don't have no sense. If this is a friend of your parent, it's bad company. You can't parry somebody like a she. Where's enough? Who enough? You can't go on. Listen to me. Anytime come on to Papa's daughter, in a business, me not involved in the conversation. I will put myself in the conversation. Here's a bad to pick me. Who you feel if you got teeth? Yawa. Who stepmother? Because you can't stepmother go sit down. You have to compete about stepmother. Oh, you run down so belly? Papa don't want something like you. You too maga cranny.
Oh, you know
me
that.
know, Papa, you too maga cranny. Your body flat now. I come like your shit up.
Yeah.
A pad you put yourself look fat up?
No.
A pad them here see the pad, but no pad look. That's all they do at the time. Come pad come broke with you. Go up in the yard.
Hey, son. This is your mother. Your stepmother.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Santan. Santan, come here. Come here, say something to you.
Little girl, how we are to do? She or me?
Girl, come over here so I'm looking in your face. You there? You see that road up there, so? Take a look at your mama. I'm gonna take my foolish advice. Do not follow your idiot friend and rob your father. You hear? Make your father give for your own, you hear?
But you not give me money, Max. Money.
Hold on, you don't need money. You don't need the money right now. You know what you need right now?
What?
Education.
I have my education.
You know none. If you have you don't want your father money, you go look your own. Go on up.
Kid.
Yes, go on up in that yard. Go on up, you hear? Go on
Renee.
up. What do Renee?
Go on, you go talk to that one, yeah.
Aye.
Why you not back up your crocodile face for out of my face? Dinosaur balls! Back up! And one of the cameras on the other day too. Right, good on the road. Good on the road. Good on the road. You feel like my friend are you? You feel like my friend? Wait a minute. Go on the road.
Why not mind the business?
Go on the road. Down the road. Down the rocking road. Yeah, what? Boy, you want to prepare the tea. Come on, line.
Yes,
I don't talk to you about that. I don't like that man.
That's why I'm doing in the house of smoke. I tell you now, I complain.
Mommy, good evening.
Evening, you come with manners.
She dumb?
No, girl, let me talk to you about what I roll. No, Eve. Alright, good evening. Alright, yesterday I could have said he really tried to go ahead with her with her.
So she move like she disabled.
That's not that. My friend sends you the teeth that money. Your father treated you down. If you want something, give it down. So what you want to go for that friend and teeth? A teeth me a girl? No, mommy. You ever see me a teeth? Okay, so what you want to teeth? Well, I need the money, I take too long to give me money in my account. Make sure you got teeth. You see, if you got teeth, your father, you see anything reach you, I don't business. What do you mean you want to teeth your father? After your father, they give you everything. Some people bring money come give her. You see, you need to find a better friend, because that is not a friend.
A teeth you raise. How long a teeth you raise?
Look like me a raise teeth.
So you go one side for me to hear what I go on.
You like me a raise teeth?
For me look upon him.
No, I have to talk to my mother.
What teeth in?
I have to tell her what happened.
You think so me not hear what I go on? Every day coming here talk about teeth. A teeth you grow.
See teeth, eh?
And a teeth you
That
grow.
they tell this one of the teeth, and that should tell me.
Yes.
This one they
So
tell her
listen
the
good.
teeth.
So a big rat this.
No, I'm friend.
A big
You
rat and
need
you a
to
little
stop
rat.
her with she, because she'll lead you astray.
She
You see,
poor.
Then go find somebody take care of her. What you need to go take care of you? Yeah, how much?
Can't see it for her.
16.
So how you gonna take care of Penny? Me not tell me about me can't just take the money because me not thieving. Me like a thief?
Anyways, she'll take the money. And me and she have a friend.
Mind you see anything reach you, don't come here so I don't know you.
I'm fair double friends.
Don't tell nobody say me is your mother. What me say enough to do?
Don't come back. Take anything reach me.
Alright. Me is not your mother.
Alright. And you reach now yard,
Me
that's
is
27
not
minutes.
your mother. Because me not grow no thief.
Girl, tell her what you gonna do.
Not tell me what you gonna do. You not come back here. If you're coming back here, don't bring this.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
gonna
guys.
sleep in my yard.
Oh, shut your mouth. And when you come over here, you watch how you talk. And that make me know you think more teeth in my yard. Eh? No come over here so with the teeth in breeze. If
It's a good thing me always keep my front door locked, cause see, if you could just step in so everything would have gone from in the house.
But mommy, you don't have nothing. That's why I have to do it.
Your father not give you things.
Yes, but you not give you things for your own.
You don't worry about me.
Slap
Me
him on the lip.
alright. You not got teeth.
I'm gonna talk to some. I should have for me daughter.
Could never be a daughter.
Slap him on the lip.
Anyway, sir, Ziploc, me I talk to my mother.
My daughter could never be a thief.
Me I talk to my mother and I am not a thief.
Look like me have rat.
I am not.
You're
I'm
not.
just borrowing the money from my father and giving her
Your
it.
father knows you borrow money?
Not you.
No, not to him.
So what you call that?
Thief, robbery.
Me I
Touch what
take
is
it.
not yours.
It don't have...
Steal.
Yeah, are the affair?
No, mommy.
So how you take it?
I'm a father. I'm supposed to take anything I want to take.
You ask him for it?
No.
Okay. Need a pitney like a you.
No do it.
Then the hand and foot they broke.
Remember say if you do it, don't come back.
Tell me that.
Me is not your mother.
I'm gonna sell it in house too. The mansion in my bill when I sell it.
How did you get it from?
You know much one house?
That's guy.
You know much one house?
No.
So when I think about sell things, think about sell yourself first. When you grow up.
What you tell
When she grew up.
So what you tell herself to go sell herself when she grew up?
If you want to sell a man property, if you sell him own property when she grew up, me just a teach her something in life. She can't so bad mind and grudge. And it's a bad mind thief in that you have.
Sir, you tell me to go sell front.
Babes, we can't bother break it, babes.
Tell herself to go sell front.
Babes, I'm explaining to her when she's thinking about selling something, she think about selling herself
Hello,
or her things first.
Ziploc, why always come between me and my mother when me and my mother are talk about for my father?
Ziploc pan your... Hey, you see if anybody little? I tell you where Ziploc the end around.
Anyways,
hey, talk
mommy.
to that. I mean, lick him in the face and cut the whole
mommy,
and
I'm gonna sell the house and I'm gonna get the money.
Okay.
Don't come back.
That
Why
no
you
sense.
do harder than the way you would do? Do anything what you want to do. As long as you follow this, don't come back.
Okay, so I can take the money by myself and come back here. Come back where? Without she. No.
No nonsense. You bring
Friend,
the
you're
bill up.
thiefy and you sell one of you and you touch one of you. Don't come back. Yes, sir. Is this when you say you get they pretend like you lock.
What are you policeman gonna come to?
Here.
Who? You the policeman gonna come.
I know you.
She curse and mad
Me
someone
know you.
in front of you. Mad
Me
someone.
Why are this one me?
Me no grow no thief. Me no grow no thief.
If
So
daddy
me
did
no
that
know
take
no
care of me
thief.
good and give me the money when I want the money, but not have to listen to my
And
future
give
stepmother.
when him have it.
Oh, you have shoes. You have clothes to wear. What
Yes.
more you want?
Mismatch clothes.
I
In
want
a
to broke
match.
bad bikini. Eh? Go and find thief in friend. They not teach you in life. So never you find a friend what taller than you.
She not thief, she just want to borrow the money.
No, not thief.
She gonna give me it back.
When I hoodlums, I got to now move
Borrow,
like.
she gonna borrow.
When I hoodlums, send them out of here. Tell her to stop come over here conflict. Sometimes she want to see you. You tell her to stop down John got the
We
shop.
go for daddy.
And we go down there go meet her.
Daddy not up there.
Don't
Yeah,
put up
call
him
him
over
and
me.
make sure say, tell him say, don't make this come in yard cause this a thief. And don't make you come in yard here cause him a influence you for thief. And
You
no,
know,
but
daddy,
you
in
must
gone.
find where she live.
We up there so.
You live with him. Cause this fine.
No, we will fly out.
And if you put on one ever yard, how you go thief this thing then?
Fly out go away. I must
In
cops.
their work, in a come until 5 o'clock. So that's why we gonna come out and
And
go
they
there.
make you know say you thief them.
Most cops cause America don't want to see you.
Cause nobody now come put nothing pan them. You see them eh? They ain't free. Me not take no bangle for no
Girl.
picnic. You's big enough.
Girl.
Go take your bangle.
Lift up man, lift
Where
the
she
place
at,
man, lift the
pa?
place man, lift the place. So no go on no
stop
man.
and say,
Go on no man. And next time when you want to see your mother, you call your mother phone and you stay down at John Gotti shop and wait down there. I don't want you back over me yard. You hear?
Me not see a name at the front gate. What do you mean by your yard?
You see no nonsense. I will put up a mother. Girl, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth in my yard.
And we are talk about my father could have taken care of my mother. Mommy,
Yo, leave.
daddy tell me say,
Tell her if you
and
leave
him
now.
put you out.
Just a
You
check,
come
check,
up
check,
find
check,
man.
Me come out.
You
Yes.
find man.
Me come out.
This year.
Me come out.
This year. So let me go. You come find this year. Come on here. Mommy. Mommy.
Come over here. Here. This is a little coat them there. Eh? She love you, girl like that man I can't know, you know. Here. Them there. You have to breathe for them lunatic man the babes. Eh? Can I style that?
Me have partly is enough for me and mama. You know, see mama they gone with him.
Stop the chatting now, man. I'm gonna finish the chat in the house. Go on in. Okay, sexy queen.
What? Me nah bother get that girl no money, you know. I'm forget for myself. Thanks, mom. She didn't want it. Fly out, gone now. This is sure. Go. Okay. Money. I didn't take long to give me my 500. Oh, Jesus. Oh, money. What me I gonna do? Oh, can I go see girl I go to my mother? No, me I fly out. Yeah, teeth it. Oh God.
Yeah,
What do you mean by where me I go? Me I go down the song.
You know what I mean? To pay sorry for you. You don't get the money.
No, me not get it.
What you mean you get the money?
Me not get it. It's like me must say my message to call daddy phone, you know, and tell daddy say me go the teeth money, you know. So she call him and she tell him, and when me go up there, me see daddy and wait for me.
See this walk past and see
You know me I come for. Me can't use me little trick them pan him no more like come use for mommy girl.
you know, somebody's an informer. Somebody's an informer.
You don't talk to my mother like that. Hard working. Anyways,
You don't find out
girl, you're lucky. When that go, you go ask him where something
Girl.
cut up.
Girl, but wait everything.
Homeless. Look homeless. Go to him.
Girl, but wait every single thing. To get for attention. I'm not getting it. So,
Girl, to be honest, you look like you say your teeth issue, so you don't want you.
what you supposed to mean? You're collaborative, girl. What kind of friend are me?
You know my mother yet.
As I say, you will find a way. You got the money.
Alright. How much will I get to time money?
50. So, me get 50 on you.
Alright. But daddy up there, if you go up there to him up there.
Okay.
Alright?
So, get for that attention.
We get my father attention. He name Popeye.
What me for if you get it?
Him no want you. Look how you look. Girl. Your body so keen. And him not gonna want you. Girl, you have to wear something more sexy. So later I go down there, so yeah. Bye. I go to my mother.
You know, say that you tell the girl. That you tell. But me not while.
Trish! Trish! Come here.
Could I watch 4 fight? What happened?
Come here.
I'm in a hot, man.
Sit down right. I want your clothes.
What?
Right here, so come on.
Me can't come no further, my foot there well dirty.
I noticed from the other day, I talked to you about your little Jingbang friend them. You see a Jingbang friend them when you can't come on my yard? You need to stop me and come here when me not there. And I notice, especially Marga one, how his foot dry, just like her eye.
Yeah, man.
Her eye dry. She come, she not say morning. And she not say evening, she not say nothing at all. She just come. Trish!
Mommy.
I don't call me, I call you, no, me attack over what your friends say me.
Trish!
She just come. Trish! Come on.
Come on.
Come here, go down on my yard. Look here, let me tell you something. You go tell your friend when I have no manners, say, when she come in on my yard.
What she not have?
When I have no manners.
I think I said she not have mother.
Manners.
What you talk
like
about?
you're not here so good, yeah.
So, mommy, what you do now? Cause you tell me about friend. My friend them are in a bad company. And if I care that you talk, Kayla is a good girl.
Trish, I'm talking to you, you need to listen.
Shanice!
Yeah, girl!
Oh! Morning.
See me tell her she's nice, she tell her morning, answer her now. Say no, man, mommy. Your eye don't dry like your ear.
Why you just badging here like that?
Me tell her she can't
Why you never knock the door before you come inside?
No, me knock.
What's your mother there?
She there on the room, I know she at the moment. She there at the moment.
So she not teach you no manners. Big old ass steering girl like you, no have no manners, you just come at people here and Trish! And run in.
Girl.
I say your mother grow you.
Yeah.
She grow you good.
Thank you.
But I don't know good growing that about your tongue.
Yeah, what?
Papa never do a guy no foul.
You talk too much, you talk same time. No, hold on there. Trish, so weird. I am mother that. And I'm your mother. Little girl, what's your name?
I'm Kayla.
Kayla from where?
From up the road.
Me noticed say you they come on me yard, you know. From the other day. You just barge in and come call with Trish and Kara away. What not a road they do so?
We all got Bible study.
When?
Today.
Which day today be?
Wednesday.
Today or Wednesday.
We are fasting in our sister baby church.
Something on fast?
Yes.
No, in a people business.
No.
Yes. Which church you know they go liar?
Pastor
When they go
Berry.
to the road, they go fast in a people business and say fasting, you know they go. They don't come back with ears on a table.
A Pastor Berry church we are go.
Berry. So now go down the road, but if have people them bury.
No, Pastor Berry, the big bad head man, I love preach and talk too much.
And you are preach, no one talk too much. You're not ready.
But Trish, you never asked me if you can go with Kayla.
Come here. Alright, me are going in my room. Bye bye.
I still not come down.
You can go in my room.
How old are you?
Oh, we are 17. Is what?
Same age like she. Okay. So, you don't have no plan?
We're going to Bible study. You don't like that?
Yeah, we have a
you
plan.
You must not stop us.
We have a plan. Next 5 years we live with God out our
I first day when I go Bible study today, I only used to go before.
We used to go before, but we just never tell parents. Because some parents don't agree with us going to church.
Like you know.
What kind of parents are they?
Like you know.
Me know why you.
Yeah, I met with Leah.
Trish, if me make you kneel down on your knee today, you shut your dirty mouth. You hear me? I tell you, and don't get me on the other side.
Already tell me.
A man here do not go?
No, we are going to meet with Leah for Bible study, you know.
You can't trick me.
Me want to go wrong up where I go put on my frock.
So what me to do? Make Trish come in there?
Yeah. Trish now got Bible study today.
Trish.
Every day.
Trish, go on. Come and say you're a big woman.
Come, girl.
But let me tell you something. No, let me tell you something. You're laughing. Let me tell you something before you come out. You see, if you breathe,
can't go on left by
figure that gate there out this one, figure that door here.
Why would I play all
Okay, because you know a general go fast.
We go to fasting.
The man them who not chat to, none of them a go fast. That's the thing, you're idiot. Don't worry yourself, Trish. Don't worry yourself. Come in. Come. Me see your friend there coming down there, son. You know.
Oh.
Mm.
Evening. We can sit down for your bed.
Evening, yes.
Oh. My church me come too. And so, I went there.
Church?
Yeah.
Ah, Jesus, master.
Oh, we
Francie
gone
turned
again.
17. You can manage her again. She
have
have one little mother friend that we named Kayla, when me always see her with. I just since then I know her name, but me always see she come here and call.
Oh.
She have one next one, she know no manners, I must rain. I go for make she come since while and come say. Must it, me not even know what she say if I even man in her work. I mean I used to she, they say hi, or not matter. Kayla come for Trish and the two of them gone. Say them gone and fasting. Tell me now, today. Fasting a keep? No.
But what if fasting a keep?
I lie them I tell.
If you feel say I lie them I tell me cannot go to night church, then go.
I lie them I tell, but guess what? You see Trish now? Since she and that girl a lick head, Mrs. says she turn idiot, but you see any day she breed, she will see well. She will see where trouble bring and sufferation bring. And how work off in mind pitney. Me not go business, me don't care. Me not go business with her. Cause she had take up the world before time they fall a friend. So me just a leave her on her own. And if she don't stop me, I run her out of my place. But me just a go and hold it.
Right, go and hold it. Well, she me did come to answer cause me did just want chat nobody no there yet. So me did see me just walk.
And me tell you, they gone. And me know we didn't tell me say them a go, and they say they gone. But me just a
hold it.
Hold it.
Alright, then me I go to sir.
Yeah. Alright then. Where they come from and come in and come lie down on the bed in your dirty clothes. Me not even left out your good. and the bed not spread. You expect that me if you sleep on the bed and if you get up spread it every day because you are the mother and me are the picnic. You left out and gone but you're gone and fasting with a little lie at self like me and eat that. So come back, vex, come lie down back on the bed. Where they come from? Smell so. I know you're coming here so lie down. You just don't worry yourself, man. Long rope, short catch. Don't worry yourself. Like me, I go ask you what do you. I don't care what will happen to you. Me no business, nothing do you. And if not do you, make still no business. Anything where they do, you soon start do it. Am I was, you know? Oh, I have a big woman now. No police can lock me up to make a tan which part you go. You know if you come back the next time. Trish.
Okay.
You know so I talk to you and I listen to me though.
What do I know?
I know you're here, because you're not there. But you don't listen. That's why you're not learning. Listen, I have to tell you this. You see, once you don't listen to me, you're not going to learn. Every day you make this girl come here and carry away.
Let me stop that.
What do you mean?
Call the girl. Girl. Don't call her no girl. You don't like her mother call me girl. Call her girl.
Every day your friend come here.
Yeah.
And take your way, carry your gun. But guess what? I am not going to blame your friend alone. You is to be blamed. You know why? You is not 5-year-old.
Me?
And you are not 10.
Can I say something to you?
You is not 15. You are 17. And this year you are 18. When you talk, you always say talk. And I go give you one slap in your mouth because you don't start it, man. You don't feel your parents can't talk to you again. Listen to me, man. You see your problem where you tell me about? Your friend? A man now who they with man from who no they with man and who did they with man first and who second go they with listen to me. Me no business don't know. I don't business.
One moment, me not tell you nothing yet. I know.
You mean you not tell me nothing yet? You come like up to the fire.
Me not like your style. Yesterday me come in back, so you did not ask me what I do me.
Me not fit ask you. Me hear you around the chat.
Alright, let me tell you something.
Oh.
Let me tell you something. Now listen to me now. One boy like me. I see it, but it look like some friend like the boy.
You're 17, you know. You're mature. If you have sense. So what? If your friend see one boy and like the boy and the boy like you and the boy like the girl, when he can
no,
go that?
she don't like the girl and the girl like her.
I'm a counselor. So when you go to now?
Huh?
I'm a guidance counselor.
No, really.
So me not busy with your friend or man story out the road, you know. Because you know take telling none tell, you know, listen. You do what you want, do you go where you come back as you feel like and you're not even do nothing in the yard. You just left the place untidy, you go about your business, you come back, you want to sit in the yam, you go lay down, see you left your dirty plate and see there. Every night we go out with bed. At night time this a bed is spread. You make up the bed in the morning time, you go about your business and left me spread. No day me not spread this. Good night time I spread it and brush it off because I go sleep. I not spread it. Because I'm not idiot. I want to live in.
It don't make no sense to spread at daytime. You know why? Because as me pray, you're going back in there, like you can't hold in that chair.
You know what is right? So I always sit down.
So you can't hold in a chair?
I don't have no chair. Don't shame me.
You should have make me pop by your two before you go live.
One God Almighty room we live in.
You should have make me pop by your two before you go live you.
Come on.
Hey girl, come in. Hey, Linda. Hey, Linda. Come in. So she not there now, mommy.
Girl, we saw some act up for girl. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We had go
so just up. So you may tell me if you just fix a bonnet, can feel you know for sure.
You want to get in now? See if you dress.
No girl, I never know say today. Come.
Today, woman.
Come me so come back. See me help so you like to get up.
Oh, you don't like me?
I'm so come.
The place I want clean, man, in a dusty bad.
Good night.
I'm a night girl all day. Evening, Miss Candy.
Good evening.
And I cook. Every day I come here and tip I used to have milk pan. Oh.
Where you come from?
I mean, me are soon 18. 18 minutes to tell you where me I come from. Yeah, it is a bad people question me.
Girl, you fit talk to your mother with little more respect. I would have made someone could answer to my papa. Well, one box nothing for me ears and whistle like a peanut count.
Trish.
Candy.
Hey!
Hey!
Boy.
Boy.
You forgot who for roof you live under?
Me pa.
You see, as long as you're underneath my roof.
Me pa roof.
Oh, your pa. Your pa know this bill. You forgot your rent house. You forgot your rent
But I
house.
him a pay.
Where? Where and when? How?
Mountain.
Transaction. Me nah follow up what you're saying, because few story no add up. I mean, I sit down and win on damn stupid conversation with you about no pop. Because your pa not even want to see your face. You go and you come back anytime you feel like.
And yeah, me I go back.
And don't tell me now, say, you are 18 and all that call me Candy to so shut your box about your bride.
Me never tell me, you see.
You say, yes, you must be 18 or you're so 18.
I say, me so 18, like,
I
you
don't
need to
care
tell
what
where
you
you
want
come
to say.
from.
You don't need to tell me
At least me not breed early like you.
What you know?
Therefore, me not breed yet.
Hey, I really want the privilege of a chat to my papa, so.
You don't think you want to go home? You say night I come.
Me soon go home and I play here. Me there, me spend there, me spend there, never run me.
Me spend in the own and me love a rent she dey pay.
Oi.
But still,
how she talk?
How she talk?
I mean, notice her say, so she stay, she grow good. Oi, listen to me. You see them a pick me, and them a kind of friend that you're picking.
And them a kind of friend that need backs done. And secondly, our parents grow good. They never grow me good. You just let me go. And when you're ready, you're gone a club. Let me with Mass James. Anytime you let me with Mass James gonna party, so me go too.
I don't talk.
Just talk.
How you run things?
The things not run me.
Daddy.
Yeah, man, how you run things?
Oh, my father called me. Yeah, me I come. Alright, me I come cook.
Alright.
Yeah, later.
You cannot come back. I mean, maybe I got eat.
You wanna know you're gonna?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Damn shit. Because you are big old. No rank with me. No rank with me.
Okay.
No rank with me for
No,
my boss.
me not rank
Don't
with
touch
you.
me.
But
don't touch me. Let me tell you something. You are very disrespectful. You. And everything you take for joke. But don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. Yes.
I mean, me can go club later.
Anyway,
I need some money.
Go on. I don't stop you. I know let foot.
Okay, then. You see, a club then I really sell boom some more money to buy nacho. Cause me and my friend them and me have to put money to hard seat.
I'm here sending a party.
You just send me
can go. Party?
No.
So how me figure money to go party? Whosoever you go party with, why they can't support you?
Because they don't have enough money.
That's why you stay in your yard. You don't go out broke.
But you just
people go to money.
Yard.
You know, go to go depend on people.
But we not depend on my me, they beg you.
Okay, so since you're so cheap and you can't afford a liquor or a juice, stay in your yard.
But you have the money you can give me.
Well, if you want to go, they go loaf and walk around and beg like a little squatters, you can.
That's
but
what
I
do.
Me send you. You know?
Come on, lad, and Tanya and my mother.
He's a family man. They are a friend, one where they go.
And a friend, and my mother.
Yeah, you almost 18, you. And me sleep with you, that's why you feel some your size. But you soon come out here, don't worry yourself.
Somebody come out tight.
Don't worry yourself, man. Worry yourself. Who can you feel?
Who can feel here?
Worry yourself, man.
Sweet money goat, I go run in belly. Go and disrespect me. Go and talk to me the way you want to talk to me. Go and do what you want to do. Any word you want, tell me. But I know the same day we leave for water, but I'm rotten. You hear me? I tell you, yeah, man, whatever. Me and size, cause you look like we are taking same man now. Cause we are matey. We are no mother and daughter again. What's that? You see, me I take it easy. I mean, not say nothing. Any day you make that head a trick, you're not gonna like it.
La. You know that TikTok song, them?
You want me to say no? Yes, you don't mean road a vomit. You understand? So you see, if you know,
Fast.
if you know, say you're pregnant, find the daddy. You cannot stay here with me.
Why?
I don't want to go down in the details about why. You know why. Me not have to explain that. You understand me? Number one, you're not help me parent. You reach the age where you can look a job now. Yes. You're a big woman and you're not.
You expect me to help a parent?
Don't worry yourself, man. Few months time you're 18 now.
That one day healthy.
You're a big woman now. You can look a job and sustain yourself.
Me
I
think
time
you
for you
wanna
stop
look
nyam
one.
me down. Yes, stop broke me down. Me can't have nothing to say to you. All you do is go out and come in back with this girl with them call name Kayla. And come back on nyam, lay down and sleep, wake, and sometimes you're not even obeyed, you're going out on the road same way. Right now, your dirty clothes and the run back where you figure wash. When me warn you about how much days now, and you don't wash it, but you know. You're not them and wash them,
I think I'm for wash
up
them.
to this,
I think I'm for wash
you don't think of this, you don't think of you for wash them. Up to this morning, me go around and go take up some of them and put in a bad pan where you have fling down pan line. People can put dirty clothes pan line, I don't know why you stay. So I mean, I take off. You did that Sunday dirty clothes to wear them back, re-wear them.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's your business. And you went and you wear back sweat on top of sweat and me I go front it. You see, you know, realize you don't understand about hygiene and how to take care of yourself. You don't learn how to cook nor nothing but you're on road with Kayla, and all about over a place near some of their party and they go on and a smoke and a drink and a go on with themselves. But guess what now? Me stop stress out myself over you because you now make my blood pressure
Thank God, didn't I?
rise up and bust in my head. You understand me? But me I tell you, if I breathe, you dey breathe, or maybe you name and go, or you name nothing and go drink and you have hangover.
Maybe me eat some of your food and you never cook good.
Don't worry yourself, man. As long as I not breathe, you dey breathe, you know. You're good. Because if I breathe, you dey breathe, you cannot stand and eat move. You go come inside, you go have to left out on the place and go look somewhere to go. You understand me, I say? Because me can't take fear foolishness.
Alright, don't know me.
You tell me if you done. Good evening, my baby. You tell me if you done. Because you're not no style, you know. Anything in your mind tell you if you do, you do. You're not listen to people and you love chat about you don't fear.
Done.
Yeah, man. Me if you done.
Miss Kendall, because my friend said me and I can't go up on the road.
Yes, you can, of course. Yes. You know me now go say no. Because I trust you if you go out with her more than the one who named Kayla. Because it's a bad influence. Kayla. Yes, because she did bad, you know.
Yeah.
Terrible, I know no man has told me for a long time, you know, but she worse since she and that girl start link up.
Oh, me get to know.
No, we come like a share the mother and me at the picnic. But how can you walk? Then it belongs to the pusher. You can go on with her.
We can go?
Yes, you can go on, of course. Why not? Why you don't want to go?
So yeah, let me go there, you know, and me go run with Kayla.
Me say, you can go with she. Me no not talking about you and Kayla more than what me just say. You understand? So you better just go on.
Okay, I'm so come.
You know your friend, you know can go out with her. You're happy to go out with Kayla, but you're not happy to go out with she, cause what Kayla they do, she not go do it. Yeah, I'm probably sure. You?
Hello. Good evening. Where are you?
Are you a little girl? Are you a parent in yourself?
Listen to me tell you this plain and straight now. Yeah, tell her just to leave my man alone. Me come by my man. Tell her just to leave my man and come up and chuck off her face, you know. She don't know who she happy, you know. What she did? How?
So, me all of a sudden involved in a you and my daughter, man. Try to like when I keep the same man. Where you come about? Me must tell my daughter to leave your man.
You deaf?
The two are a friend. How me reaching at that?
Friend, I no friend. Are you are the mama?
So me tell her to come do with your man.
No, you never tell her, but I tell her for 1 hour. Because any day they give me buck her for another lick me licking for her face. You hear me say? One big broad lick. Oh.
Come on. One out. One out of my face. Cause me no know how uno but me have a good mood, so every day me dey on one good mood. You better just go on, little girl, go on. Cause if me lick you your last and not even police can find an area man, nor the same man where they quarrel about. You and my daughter when you see her, but argue about the man there, but not put me in it, please, and thank you, go on. Leave. Leave. Hey, I act like I said me on size and I'm here, keep you said man.
Are you burn me?
Are you on me?
Are you burn me?
Come on. Me not here, go.
You don't want to hear that?
Take out your hey girl. What kind of cross is this, though, God? How no say a friend? How not keep the same man? And I me you come to about it. First of all, me should even involve in that story there, you know, because my daughter and you no listen to me. And you broke her out, yes. Are the right man, she fit take for your man. Out of that. Don't put me in there. Let me say it, no. Leave me alone.
Will you blame mommy?
Trish.
Candy.
God, give me the faith. Let me hold it, please. Well, me I avoid that itchy I put on, but me I hold it. Anyway.
This love that I'm feeling.
Trish.
Yes, Candy.
Tell your friend Kayla if you not come back on me yard. Else you not go nice.
Oh, she gonna look for me?
From when all along and I say nothing.
So, mommy, oh, you not like Kayla, but you like Kayla.
Me not say nothing too harsh. So guess what? Me I try to humble myself and don't get mad.
So why you not want to
me
come
beg
back
you.
here?
Listen to me. Please me beg you. Tell your friend if don't come back on me yard come they come chat about no man and you there with man and one if I sit and you and she. You see you know man business you know about a road. One go deal with it about a road.
No man, not business about shit. No, I'm not business about myself. And me have the man now. I'm not business about shit. My man now.
So I true.
Me tell you say.
Man.
The boy like me, but you like the boy. I never tell you about it.
Yes, I like when your name say your name there.
Oh, yes, me and him there.
Like different from when somebody there together. Cause anybody
but we're not there, we are talk.
Yes. But you're just a one.
So we're there. I mean, me come here as a man.
Me don't understand. Me know, man. Me know.
Come like a story.
Me know, yes. Story, yes. Me know. Me and Louis Bennett. Second Louis Bennett.
Why can I never come to me and talk or show her talk?
She come to I could never me, but because I'm there, she come and address me and me never want box in her mouth, so me send her out of my face. So, you let me tell you now, listen good. You see your friend where you have, and your man where you keep a road, it won't need go solve no problem out a road, don't bring it in here, so. Yes, when me owe me rent, and me alone have to face the landlord.
Why?
Not me, you, Kayla, and your man.
Why?
You know man, a matter of fact.
Why?
So me no want no crosses argument in about no man argument and who they take away for man and who did friend and business if you no have friend and one if a same thing, you feel leave man alone. Listen to me. Me and no man no in so they argue, So me
have no man.
Thank God that if you know. So you not supposed to make no man argument come in here and they cause problem. For me, I'll end up go involved in a thing where me not supposed to Me I try to avoid certain things and they push it. Please me I beg you. Go on out the road, go look for your friend and go discuss the matter with her. Tell her do not come back on me.
Oh God, mommy don't want to come again. Me is about you. I'm so come. I don't want to so tired.
I know how no nasty so about to not have man. And face the no man as to no parents. So when that the man they breed you, if you no breed you already, come in here, you they vomit. Me don't know if I hang over you or whatever. Eh? I saw when time phone up and they come up and so now I go teach them. If you no manners to people. And I saw them go come up. Eh? And then your mother and your father saw that the days may be longer. So me at home with myself, you know, lick it down in here. Alright, cool. Worry yourself. Everything good, man. Get up off my bed.
Why?
I don't feel like I want to sleep with you no more.
I mean,
Because you're a big woman. Pick me sleep with you.
but I'm betting
If you when they act like a child, you could have continued to sleep with me, but you act like
Mommy, and you have money to pay rent. So, how you gonna buy me a bed?
You ever pay any rent in here? But
Not
it always pay. You're not supposed to.
Mommy, I can't answer
Big
something.
up yourself. What?
One customer asked her. But they said, Candy, I want to come out. Candy, I want to born. Candy, please have me. I should have locked your foot.
God knows.
You make sweet talk fool you. Me pag your sweet talk and the fool you.
Oh, is it gonna catch a girl? Get up. Get up. Eh, girl? You come and take people, man, eh? Right. If you wanna buck you, if you wanna buck you, you come and take girl, man. Move, man. Yeah, what? You'll clear red. You're right, so. Out of border.
Congratulations.
Where did this thing for?
Mommy, help me now.
Mommy help you.
Which part of mother there? Mommy help me.
Hey.
You know, but I can't do again, my mommy.
Mommy, congratulations.
No way to left man alone. After you want glad to man and jump man, you a frog.
Congratulations.
You a frog?
Congratulations.
This me underneath, girl. See, but dopey.
Needs your mother? When? Where and how? Mommy help me. Which mommy? Mommy go help your daughter, cause me nobody can do again. Me turn mommy all of a sudden. Now what is Jesus?
All you. The other day you come over here, you chop me out your house and lock. You think I yell on the door? You feel like I yell on the door? You feel like I yell on the door? You feel like I yell on the door? Wait till this thing pass. My friend and Nina.
But you don't live nowhere.
Mommy! Yawa! Tell me Yawa!
Come on. You. Yeah, idiot. Not take nobody, man. Top take people, man. Come out of me house. You know what? Me did fuck your back for a long time. Come out of me house. So you are dry. Make your friend come fight in my place. Take you. Why not? Me did fuck you for a long time. Come in this plant. You know, so many easy with you. You know, so many easy with you. Come out.
Mommy, no, I'm not going go.
Me don't care. Why not?
No, I'm not that fat. Me not be spare you. Me can't call me money.
Yeah, want your friend Kayla. Come out, you dirty rich. Nah, no shame, girl. Eh? You see how long me keep up your foolishness? Me tell you to stop piss me off every day. Me cannot take it no more. Don't come back, please. Me place we keep clean now. No, me can't tidy up my place. Big ol' last year, girl, like you me fi have you in and then turn around a prep bed. At this, at that, and you can't lead down in there after you go take your man them. No bother with me. No, me can't tidy up my place. Cause you know in here. Backside door. That's one. No, take it. Then I'll give me super. Who is it? Come in.
Mommy. I'll come out with your hand.
Wait, Shabba.
Wait, Miss Candy, I can't do that. You know, send do your balance, but remember your one
What
daughter,
you
you
mean?
Filipino.
Look here, listen to me. Little girl, listen to me. Don't tell me that me cannot do it. Me already do it. She not live here. She live with her man, where she choose over me.
No.
And she choose him man over herself.
No.
Why
you
not
not
come?
live with him, man.
Yeah. Are you she live with?
He used to live with me, but my father can't manage him.
So why she not live at the man yard where she when they put in front of everything?
The man lick him out.
The man what?
Lick him out and kick him out. You're right in her back. Bluff.
So I usually live with her all along.
No.
So why problem? Why she come back? Why you bring her back here? So why she stay with them?
My
She stay with you?
No, my father can't manage it two away.
How?
My father not so much. My father can't support it two away.
Yeah. So me can support her still. And she her man. Her man is responsible for her, carry her back.
No, you keep her yourself.
Me? She said she a big woman and she dey on her own. She not no manners to me.
She has something to tell you. Talk to your mother.
Please, me can't come back. No go do nothing bad. Me go listen to you.
What? Who hear what she just say? Like a 2-year-old. Somebody just learn to
Please,
talk.
can you take me back? I am very sorry and I will never do a bad thing again. And I will listen to you now. Now I'll start pay bills and something. Come and look while I work. I guess station.
Me look like idiot here.
No, he look at work and my father send him done there. He get to work. You see the on your knees are big.
So me feel sorry for she. We never have no manners. You look like you never sit down there and come here how much time for you disrespect me.
The Bible say forgive. How much 70 times 7, 90 times so, but some 7 times something for forgive. I mean, no say you're not forgiven so much time that. So I don't want your forgiveness to that one day.
You don't know maybe that go through with she. It passed 70 times 7.
She repent. Yes, she on her knees. She repent.
I mean, I repent to her God if she forgot the way you're wicked. And say me, your mother, you never have no manners to me. Me can't believe say you come back, they don't find your knee, they ask me to forgive you, to put you back in that place. True, you know if you go. You feel me like that?
Please, I'm gonna start paying bills.
Please, I'm gonna start paying bills. 17-year-old, they go chat. You know how much? In birthday, gone, me I forgot about you.
Take back your one say, go and go hug your mother.
If you put your hand, look here. Anyway, you know what? Stay if you want to stay. But make sure you no. Take off your dirty bag off of my bed. Are your bag smell, sir? So be dirty clothes you carry back?
Cause no fab no they don't.
And the top tell her for me, girl, I want a gun.
So you know in the bed now tell her you look dirty and you
no,
smell.
No, we can't even go be able to
dusty. One, come here and sign us. Grow on this up on the floor, you sleep. If I get some cardboard on my supermarket later, grow on this up. One.
Alright, yeah.
And you go start pay rent and everything as what you say. And that me I tell you, make sure you get up for you, cause if I lie they come out here. When you do me already, how much time? I'm just easy and not send up now. Everybody, your neighbor, everybody they hear, oh yeah, disrespect me over here. Make sure you say you change and come back with it. But me I'm not sleeping. Me and my man now. 2 hours sleep.
Mommy, you know say you me just come up.
What?
Me just come.
Come up which part? Like seriously, you in your right mind? What happened?
No, mommy just miss you.
Oh, so you just come back?
Yeah.
Don't make prepare about it.
Oi! Actually, man, put out to make your mother yard. Hey! Go on like you can't control, man. You can't control, man. You can't control, man. You're right to dash you out. And me, the man, want. And me, go and put up. I done them, you go right now. Up on you too. Where you go? In your mother house? Oh, Jesus. The boy dash you out. Put her up.
Hold it.
Yeah, put her up.
Hold it.
Yeah, put her up.
Now come in and make
Cautious, girl, right? No, the man yard me, I go now.
One back where you come from.
Tell me, I listen to the little black girl.
Nobody come on me yard. Just go on back where you come from. Go on.
Mommy, me not am no.
Me have me key. Me don't know where you go now. Go on. Come and talk from. Go on. You not give a walk with you. Go on. You only think about it now.
What that mean?
You know when me get dream where I go already, you know. You know, so last night my dream see you. Yes. But the dream when me get, I don't know good dream. I don't know good dream at all. Me dream see be dog a run you down. And the whole of them bite you up and you end up in a hospital.
What a good dream that man.
Pure plaster they all over your body. You understand? Me not like them something there.
So you pray when I get up?
Me always pray. Before me go to bed. If me dream them kind of dream that when me wake up, me always pray. Cause certain dream, me not like it.
But sometimes dream no walk straight in the way.
Yeah, but listen, you see, not them time I know. Anything or anything. Anything possible. Believe it or not. If you don't go so in near so you have to be careful. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Be careful of the friend them where you keep. You see, they friends there. You know a friend do to friend, not you. So you have to be careful of the friend them where you keep. Cause sometime company send you straight to your grave or send you go to prison. You understand me?
Yes, mommy.
Me not say you not to keep no friend, you know. But it depends on the type of friend that you choose to keep. Cause friend can lead you astray. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
Yes. So me need you to take your book. Get some education in your brain. So when you're gone for your own and you're not around me again, in case you meet one man and he want to style you, you make sure no say, you can't style a styler. You have your subject then, you go get a proper job. That means you're not depend on him for nothing at all. It's not like if you have a man, you don't want something from him, you know. Every woman needs something from a man. And man, I look back for something from a woman, but me mean say, you got to take your book at school and be an ambitious person. You know, come up in a real life when you're on your own, to really definitely depend on a man. You have to have your own all when the man have your own. You understand me?
Yes, mommy.
So if you come out of your house, you don't have your house already. So no nothing. You understand what I say? So all of
Sean!
baby, you know, so I love you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy, you know go library because remember exam come so you come to study.
I talk to you, you know. I mean, I understand how she just come up and good evening, come on. No. She not ask me as your mother. Say if you can't follow her go wherever, she just come. Good evening, come on. No. And you're ready to go. I mean, understand you. You me just talk to her at the breeze.
Me, mommy.
You sure say you me talk to her, me the ear, I breeze me talk to the wind. Cause me know you hear me, you're not deaf, but you're not listening to me, that's why you're not going to learn. You see, if you don't listen and learn from what me I say to you, you're going to fall upon your face. And you see that word that if me did know, always come last. Don't make it catch you. Where wanna go?
Library.
Where wanna go library go do?
Study with me like how the exam come
How
up.
much time you tell me that I'm not see you come back with nothing at all. Where you take off a computer or nothing. Nothing where you print out, nothing at all. No assignment. Wait there. You do SBA. Me not understand. Hold on there. Where you do?
SBA time now.
What kind of time now?
Exam. We just go in the go school with pencil and just do work and come back home.
So where you go a library to go really do? And the
Search up-
people them computers. You don't have to
search
pay
up-
for use it.
No, it's free.
Oh, so where you go do?
Search up some things I don't remember.
You know, remember how to look man online. You see them a kind of friend where they keep. Only for who know look man online and who no know man and man a tell you to meet them at places. You don't know the man don't know you go and see you with sexy pic and everything. And when you no go there, you never come back. Be careful of what you do. Listen to me, girl. Me notice from other days say you, my daughter, they par with. You understand? And me don't want no disrespect. Me don't know if you're good or you're bad yet, you know. Cause since recently me see you on her, you know, me don't want you lead my daughter astray, me I tell you the truth. Me don't want my daughter get pregnant before time. Me need my daughter to take her book of school, so if you don't think you can style me and con me and think so, you give me a big dirty stinking pill for take. And me believe you so you not go to library. I trust me, I go say me I put one little trust in her. Me not really trust her like that yet. Cause me don't know no up to a young girl. I mean, no will tell parents anything. Me no know what you tell for your parents, say, no. No, she a plan, no plan must pan phone or something. No, she a tell me so now go to library, go do work or whatever. Cause you know have, listen, go on, but be careful. Cause anytime you buck your toe, you know, nobody turn around and look at you, see me, you know. Cause gone, me gone. That me I tell you, me warn you, be careful.
Yes, ma'am, later.
Alright. Me no say you can't have boyfriend, but I know them a time yet. I no feel time yet. I understand this.
Auntie,
Hmm?
you alright? Good
Me
evening.
not alright, you know.
Come to you.
You know, long me sit down and saw wait for my daughter. She said she go in the library and no me no see her come. Me go in her house, me clean up the place, me do all kind of something, come back out there so just take a while and she still not there. Me I wonder if there's something wrong with her.
Nothing wrong with her. She perfectly fine. And she me come by about, yeah, come for acting spot today. But just say she there library. Maybe I never know see her, so I went there open up a new library.
Yeah, talk, but what you mean? I don't understand you. What you don't know library stay
You
there?
want to see how you want to see the library straight where she gone. You want to know the library they look.
You see her? I see her or what? How you
Me
just
see
tell her
her.
to come?
But on a library she there. She not there on a library. Man, yard she there, but don't tell her, say me tell you. That's true, you're my auntie, me I can't tell you.
When our friend come here,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take her out of the yard and go on with her.
See her at
Oh, we are there.
do you see a pin on the manners?
Are your cousin? I will
No, me I
understand
do
so.
here. Call for my auntie. To tell her about the library. Oh, yeah, so-called gone. You know say library gone, girl. You couldn't tell me say the library look.
So the library me go, girl. We expect.
I don't know library
Which
that.
place me go? Which place me go?
I don't know library not. You know where you're going library. Don't look so. Me not see no book there so.
Yeah, no, babe.
You want a book this a belly book. So the one result you they get after you don't read that
You
book
know, say
there.
a bad man, chew me now par there, you want par with me?
Me?
Yes.
Bad man,
Cause
you.
why you come up here and tell lies say it's not library me go, you know a library me go, girl.
Look for me good and tell me say a library you go.
Kayla, I went to the library, me and my friend.
No, Shan. You and Shanice go somewhere else. I know library that.
Where proof there?
Library no look so.
Where proof there?
Me no have no proof.
Okay,
Only me
then.
mouth and me eye me have to me come tell your mother what you're doing is wrong. It's not right.
A bad man you have. Cause you me now par with them, me a par with my friend them.
Friend won't leave
I'm
you
never forever
astray.
par with them and me now par with them. You too look with them bad man. A bad man you own a cousin girl.
Me no bad mind you. Why would I want to bad mind you? Tell me no. Why would I want to bad mind you? Then if you had her up in her hand, she will catch something coming out.
Me not cry now. Hope you would cry nothing.
Me not cry nothing. After me not do nothing, I'm not supposed to
After
do.
me worse now do nothing either.
You know what you do, Sean. I mean, I can't go me yard.
So, I don't have to go. I don't have to do. Go along. I'll come out of me.
Auntie, me I can't go before daddy come, cause daddy left me I watch something.
Oi, come here. Sit down right first. Where are you coming from?
The library, mommy.
This when I talk to you, you look for me. Where you come from?
Mommy, tell me I got the
This
library.
is not a joke thing. So me no want you go do your little foolishness them out the road and take it for joke on me. Serious. Because you have to be careful of where they do it there.
No, because it's funny, cause she come here and say me don't go to library and library me go.
But why your cousin would really come tell such a lie on you if not no go so?
Cause she want par with me and I tell her say me not par with her, me a par with my school friend then.
Just that?
Yeah.
I should make up such a lie?
Yeah.
Me don't understand.
Cause she don't want me par with the girl, so she a try to convince you to stop make me par with the girl so me can par with she.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
Shan, I lie like tell her you're here talking truth.
I true me a talk.
Shan, me nah go think say me disbelieve you, me nah think say me believe you, me just I listen to what you say, and me I listen to what Kayla say. But don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, man. Go on now house first. Finish the way you do. What you never do before you leave. Me already do most I work them already, but anything you still left in there for do, just start it out.
Alright.
Fam, you see the argument there yesterday where Kayla here coming for? You know, say me go on bed and me I think about it. Nobody have any hate, so me disbelieve you know. Me not disbelieve you know. But at the end of the day, I cannot prove it. Remember, say you tell me say you go library with your friend, then Kayla just barge in. Few hours after, I tell me say you know they are no library. Why? Remember say Kayla your cousin. You and Kayla have something cause what you have what she want or why should I really look on you and tell such a lie? Me have to go find out this, you know, me have to go down to the bottom of this cause me not understand where I go on. Why Kayla just come to me, come tell me, say, which part you there no look like a library? If a new library there, me not understand. So you have to go explain and tell me as my daughter, even though your cousin, but it kind of they puzzle me. Last night, could I sleep? You know, long me take to sleep because me they wonder. Why you da tell me, say, you are going to library, and then somebody else just come out of the blues, go and say, you know they are in a library. And where Kayla get this news from, say, you did say you go to a library. So, me don't know what happened. What happened between you and Kayla?
As me tell her, you know, she don't want to part with the girl at school. She want to part with she. And to choose she, the girl to part with, she vexed. So that cause it little bring come. So that's why she come to you and I tell her that. But me and I have nothing. Me and I have no at all.
Anyway.
The one thing I told me now, par with her. So that's why.
I asked her something about.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Are you me come to know really that I'm come pa? As you me now, I am no bad influence to your child. As your little niece, she grudge your daughter. Yeah? She bad mind your daughter. So you see anything to tell you, do not believe her. Do not believe her. You see your daughter live better life than her. Me don't know why you think me did bad influence to your daughter.
You know, I don't tell my daughter say that bad influence. Me say, I hope you don't know bad influence to my daughter. That doesn't mean that, yes, me say, you are bad influence. No. Me see you and my daughter. Me see you and my daughter. So me have to find out who my daughter keep friend with.
Oh, me understand. Me just come
as
to
a
say that.
parent, me need to find out who my daughter.
Auntie, good evening. Good evening. Tell
Good
me, auntie.
evening.
Tell me, auntie.
Anyway, later.
So, I'm gonna like if you talk to your daughter, please.
Who you?
Me and Kayla friend.
This is my friend Riri. Riri, tell me.
My name?
Riri. So, me say what I run in
know?
No. You know, so me say what I run. And Riri come to me and tell me, say, Sean, I take me man. So me say, I could never mind Sean and he show me a picture with the two of them a kiss. So, my picture there.
So
She don't must have fast for me. God, more careful over here. Eh?
Me need to see the picture.
We need to see proof. Proof.
Yes, me
See
need
the
to see
proof
the
here,
picture.
Ashina. That's not a proof. More
Then
than
I will.
anything. No.
I want me
Me
to
no know.
come if you cause a conflict. Me no come if you come argue. Me just tell you kindly to tell your daughter to leave my man alone.
Yes.
Then how much?
Be a big man.
You could have frightened me.
How can she frighten you?
Because she said she a big woman and me must tell my daughter to leave her man
Yeah,
alone.
come me no want to feel the off her face.
Come out on the yard, you can't do it.
No, if me see her, my man yard, what if stop me?
No, listen, you cannot do that to
What
my
if
daughter.
stop me?
You better come out of my yard if you know me know. Cause if you go come to me as my daughter mother and go address me and my daughter,
Me address you good, you never that take the telling.
No. You cannot speak to me about my daughter like that. Because me notice from the other day say, I'll be a carry go bring come. What no want me do? Kill my daughter for una?
Me never tell her to kill her daughter, you know. More than me tell her, so sit your daughter down kindly and tell her that
No, you can't tell me how to deal with my daughter.
Well, Andy.
Oh, me never come out if I can't argue with
Stop
them.
being nice.
First of all, you pass your place and you gone wrong. You know what?
I'm pass my
This
place.
is my first time to hear somebody come on my yard and say, my daughter there with them man.
Shut up.
No.
Shut up.
Not no go so. Me no believe that one day.
Oh, you're lucky. And
Stop being nice when me chat to me auntie now. You chat too much.
Kayla, you see you?
No, auntie. Make me speak.
Problem.
Auntie, make me
Kayla,
speak.
you
No,
see
auntie. You are wrong.
Me wrong.
Yes, you know why you're wrong?
Mm-hmm.
You see, you believe your daughter is sane. Since somebody come and tell you anything, you say,
My
what
daughter
you
not
do?
seen. No.
Nobody no want on their
Don't get
daughter.
this thing twisted. I never say my daughter is seen, you know, but me not like how every minute, every second, every hour,
you ever think about it?
One different news
no.
come.
Master question, ever think about it, say, if she never died or something for that.
What you my daughter have?
Me I don't have nothing. I say, me I come to you because me love her.
So you see her with something what you need, me can get one for you because
No.
I understand the bad mind thing.
No, I do not bad mind her. Why would I bad mind her? What she have and me not have?
Okay, alright. You see what I just say? I show me believe you know. Show me the picture.
What picture?
The picture with
me
my daughter.
Me have phone.
Listen, no. You said she have a phone.
Go on for the phone.
You said she have the phone.
Go on for the phone.
Go for the phone and show you.
Go on. She said she go for the phone.
One feet.
She said she go for the phone.
my daughter face. Nobody can
You must, nobody not fool. You must stop it. You're big man. Somebody come to you about your daughter. You do not want to listen.
Cause not liar.
What tell lie?
Who know?
Me I tell lie? Me not tell lie. You're too bad at that. And your mother spoil you.
You saw your friend know. And she about that. You saw she a going out like a hooligan.
My friend have no one bag of tattoo. You have a tattoo and board for you to go to school. All nails. Yes,
remember
auntie.
say me is your auntie. Me is not size.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
So me want to know what is your problem between you, my daughter, and your friend. And the fake man where they talk about. Look for my daughter.
Oh.
She look like she ready for a man?
She look more than ready. Look at the tattoo them.
Me go ask you one question. Look here. Leave the tattoo them alone. Yes, she put your hand behind my back and me don't deal with her and punish her about it already. Me not go punish her about it again cause she already get punishment for it.
Okay.
Me no need you to come tutor my daughter about nothing with upon her body. Leave that to she and God.
Okay.
What is your problem? Me notice that me and your mama, you know. Did in some argument, you know, from about 3 to 4 years ago, you know, about some money which you borrow from me, you know. And me no know what kind of feelings, you know, they care cause your mama no give me back the money all now. You understand me? Me clean your house how much time when you're a little baby. You understand? Put your upon my breast when no milk now come out there when your mama gone. From beach gonna sell front.
Okay.
And when she come back the next day, you're still a dead for hungry.
Okay.
Can't buy Pampers or nothing and me support you.
Okay.
What is the problem with your one cousin? Tell me, Kayla, cause me no want, look here.
There's no problem.
The only time me put me hand on you, and when me did come catch you in the house with the boy. Under the bed bottom.
Oh. You
And that time me put me hand on you, Kayla, me no know why you and my daughter have, matter of fact, your cousin. What is the problem? Talk the truth, me want to know what they good on you for because, Kayla, me not say a lie they tell Panner, you know.
Me not tell lie Panner, me not tell lie Panner.
And at the end of the day, me never say a truth.
But you know what me go and do?
So what is controversy? Me not understand. What happened between you and my daughter?
Controversy. You know what we are going to know? You say me still tired of do things. I'm not going to come and tell you. Argument done.
Yes. You know, we see. If you come back, we
Kayla,
can be a makeup story.
What kind of controversy you and my daughter in?
Me
as a cousin. Well, I saw your age for your cousin. Me don't understand because, you know what?
You know
everything my daughter tell me I go believe. But someone wanna come and tell me, say, God Almighty, man. How was so?
What me can't tell you, say?
You remember what you can't tell me, say?
Me can't tell you, say, she not in the library.
I know today I wanna come back to a different story.
Me ask you a question now. Me tell you how it go. Me dey walk on the road, me see her. She and one boy, one man.
That a when?
Yesterday. So me tell to ask her, say, Shan, where you dey go? She say, a library, me I go. So me I say, oh, you say I got library, man. You can't go library, man. Yeah, man, talk up and hug up and a suck out tongue, they got library.
You lie. You saw you lie. You're still not adult. You're still not adult. Because yesterday, you wake up and tell mommy, say, you see me. You say, you see me, you know. In our place, you know, now you say.
Me never say me stay in a place, don't put the way anymore. Me see you somewhere, and me want to for library that. I saw library look.
What did they say?
Library up on the roadside. Library up on the roadside.
We have support on all support on which.
Because me never want to talk everything. Me never want to talk everything. So me keep back some now, me to talk the truth. Me talk what me know so let me tell. Me ask a question. Then he tell me say a library she a go. Me not have see her if she tell me say a library me a go.
Me first mention about library to you. Then you start labrish.
Me they don't know why me come in here. Me tell them come here for ask say where your daughter there. For here for library really go tell me say cause I could never library she gone. She tell me say didn't you tell me say a library I go. So I'm glad say she know over here.
Get up.
Now see me have to see her.
Shanna, looking at my eye then. Me's your mother. I know why you tell me no lie. You and man dep on road that fuck out tongue and they kiss and they do all kind of something.
No, mommy.
Eh?
You and me no know if you're gonna believe me or you're gonna believe them, you know. So if you're gonna believe, if you're not gonna believe me, I have a trust in me, makes sense me be your daughter, honestly.
You know when you're gonna believe me? When this go.
Yeah, when you're in go
no. Hey, know when you're gonna believe too, when she catch her for yourself. And I'm gonna do the next time I catch her, I'm gonna run come carry go. Me gonna carry so you see for yourself with your 2 eyes. Can you come like it lash them? I climb up your eye.
Yeah.
Can you like you not see what your daughter do?
Me want to feel lucky down because what you said to me, I know me can't see it.
What?
I know
they lash them. Anyway,
they lash them
you can prove it and know your friend can come back with the video.
I
make she gonna make one.
Listen to me, me never lie to
Even if me did to believe you, that make me not believe you.
Me never lie to
you. She cannot come
so
back with the video.
So when you never lie to tell, you see.
Stop the night.
You see the picture.
She come to me after me say, you know say.
You know
too much. Me talk when me say no, me know what me say. She come to me and she me sit down. She say, Kayla, come here. Me say, what you say? Me have something to tell you. Say what? Me finally found out who take my man. So me say, who take my man? Cause she be that time somebody take her man. When she look, and she show me she and her man.
So Kayla, you take your 2 eye and see your cousin on my phone?
Yes!
With next man?
That's why me come over here. Why would I come over here? Why would I tell such a big life? Me never see it. How would I know to come over here?
Alright Kayla, true you talk. One, your friend cannot find the phone with the video. Go and go help her look for it.
Help her. Me going home. Over here, fam. No, you know who go over here? Mom, make me daddy come over here, come start up the matter because you. Bye-bye. You're not an auntie at all. You need to grow up.
You see you? Confusion I go kill you now. Corruption I go kill you now. You and your mama for a long time. A son no tan. So the mother, so the daughter. Your mama owe me money over 3 to 4 years ago and she have me up. Maybe she set up on me a pitney. If you can't tell like on me pitney, say me pitney this and me pitney that. But listen to me. Time and God. You hear me I tell you now? Time and God. Go on home, go tell your mother, say, me say, if she not give me back my money, I could have even 25 years she owe me. As long as I'm alive and well, she have to give me money. She not go like it. Worse how you do this, Kayla. Me no know what she do to you. Me no know what you have her up for. Me no know what this all about. But me, now go judge my pitney wrongfully sake of uno. The whole of uno wicked. That's so your mama used to tell lie. So your mama used to tell like how we had a cousin them, cause me and my cousin from 4-4, you know. Me wish uno never realize that me and uno related because all of uno crosses, all of uno crosses, uno wicked. You see you gone? Make sure you say no come back to me yard. Carry your father come. Carry your father come cause your papa thief member saying killing you wanna pick me and go to prison. Me no know the man them in they never ginger him. Me no know where your papa they were coming after me at condo. You talk like I said me and your father did they. Right now, you me see your father, me shot him 2 out of 5 cause your father a thief. Your father a thief and me no like him. Me have me draws them up on me line around the back and your papa come round they come thief them and carry them for Valentine's Day go give your mama. Me no like uno you all uno crosses. Uno a wicked. Every minute you all uno put uno mouth for me pitney. Oh, listen to me. You see for that friend the way they keep make so much more upon you, you need to drop everybody. Find some new friend, cause me no know why problem. Is either Kayla and your friend in a some argument about man or something where they do what you don't know about, make you get all of them a blame here. And you know, listen, you know look into yourself and the wonder say, how my mother feel or what my mother think when Kayla and other people, she are coming to me yard, come tell me them and something about you. You know wonder, you not think. Even though me not curse you and they blame your feet whether a true or a lie, you don't know say pressure then left on my brain.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't know say my blood pressure will go up and me end up in a hospital. Me end up in a hospital, me not a fight the feelings. Me cannot take it no more. Me tired of the news carrying cargo bring come. A tailbearer them. What you do to Kayla?
Nothing, no, mommy.
Me ask her 1 million times every day. Me want to know what you do to Kayla. You not tell me the truth or what. Cause somebody can't hate somebody suffering nothing at all. Like what that was so. Why problem? Okay, fire. Me say me want to carrying dirty teeth in fire. Wait, you see anytime you see Kayla again? And she fast with you say dirty girl although me and your cousin. Your papa thief. I remember say your mama owe me mother her money and I hit me couldn't hate with. Cause our father thief off me draws them off a line and go give her mama for Valentine's Day. You understand me? Yes, and in kill all him one pick me end up a prison. Kayla father a thief, a criminal. Right now police are look for the drunk row. If you go down a station, you see him picture down there. And if you see the word underneath, wanted. Then can't talk to me. I have them either about me or you, and them a take out everything for me and you. But no worry yourself, my baby. You know say me love you already. You hear? No worry yourself. Just take care of yourself, and every night you go to your bed, pray. When you wake up, pray, and keep off bad mind and corruption off of you. Keep off the crosses them off of you, cause you never know say if you're dead in your life and the family they know in there, you're not bad at it. You never know. Cause me want to know, Papa Jesus, me have to go up on my knee tonight and pray and ask God, say, what is the problem? Because it come like a killer plan with your friend them. Every different day. Every other day.
Different story.
I want different story. Every different day come where God send is a different story. What is the problem? I don't know. So maybe me I'll have to go down a station and go report them. Cause little more from this, then come tell me how they see all this and they see all that, all about and all kind of sitting and put me in a problem. Make me have to go pay how much money. Go pay what me now have. You understand me? So no worry yourself. Remember, say me say if you pray. Go on in the house. Go on in the house and left road alone. If your friend, me not say you not fi keep no friend. But if your friend want come fi see you, make she come in your yard and stay right there so. And no labrish and chatter everything and drink and name and then she go yard. No make she care go nowhere again. Cause me tired of it, man. Me a come go to the road. Really? I want Pepsi or really go shop go buy.
I did 2 big now.
They never buy nothing to eat, they just buy that one.
Yeah. Cause me thirsty, I said, more than juice, I would have one juice.
So alright in that though?
Yeah.
Okay. You know how me say another day me tell her say. Since me tell Kayla me mind about her thief in Papa and her general mama we borrow me money from when and no give me back. I don't see her back in my eyes. Like, me glad she stopped coming me hard because Kayla look like her say she go come like her ma and her papa. Disgraceful.
Embarrassment. And never embarrassment, she embarrassful. No, sir.
Then disgraceful, disgusting rich them. Me say me sorry say me and you and them are sitting. Me sorry say Kayla my niece. Our mother disgusting. You have some people who love borrow people money and when them a give you back, they give piece a piece. If they come to you and say they want 500,000 to borrow and you give them the whole 500,000 an important thing, you end up doing it, you know, when you ask back feet cause they not come give you half of their own. You know what they do? Give you piece and mash up for your business. That not fair. All them the people
them business are
yeah, borrow nothing from me again. They wicked.
Yes,
Nah, nothing
but
to
yeah,
do
she
with
don't
them.
come away because she too mixed up. She does everything she carry go bring come. Me like her style, man.
You know, that's our mother did say when our mother did much younger. Same way, mix up, carry go bring come, look barano, give back, and have one heap of man and all kind of sitting. Me no know how me and them the people they related. God Almighty, Father God, me I beg you do. If you could have just reborn me again and make me come back again and have one different set of family instead of them adoptive family. I will love take people things and don't give them back. True bad mind, grudgeful and jealousy, envy and covetous. Me no like them style, me no hate them, you know.
No, but them style dirty. Come girl. I'm an aunt house. Come in.
How are they?
Step up with it. You see, every time me tell me auntie say her daughter take somebody man, she no believe. So see that the girl. You can't make girl take your man and get away with this. So you have to defend that. So defend it.
Oh, so you have man.
Yes, defend that.
You have to man. You know what I'm talking about? What do you mean you don't know what you're talking about? You have to take somebody man you know.
Which man make him have a man? Me not have time for man, baby girl. You come in and jump on the girl. I want this. Right timing. What's up? Black pull the front door coming in for come round. I see you look a big girl. Then they come round. Auntie pull the door.
So what is this?
One big hole girl. Most of the way man, it's a question they talk, kill you.
But you say lie.
How me do you?
You carry the girl when you come tell lie for your poor little cousin. See your cousin a take her man while you a take the man. Me? Yes, me know everything. As bad as though me love take people man, I never take her man enough. But me know see you take for your man. And you come up pity for your sister. Oh, you see so?
So yeah, take
yeah, them dry bad.
Hello.
We are best friends.
Hello. I know our sister, you make mistake, our cousin, but
You
you could have, even if you did say, you come pin it on your enemy, would have feel better. Cause me sorry say we and him and dirty dog you are sitting.
Who you call that?
Oh, I think they contact about
I come out if you come out of my house. So where you carry her come to condo?
Beat her!
Even if, you know she not take her man, but even if, can you feel say me a jackass? Fool, let me tell you something. You could never carry none of your friend them or nobody come on my yard. In my house, come beat my daughter. Liar tell. Worst of all, she and her man no day. Are you the hecky girl man are really
But that's the girl man, that's not the point. That's not the point.
Like
The girl man.
You see if I me like you?
What tell the girl? Michelle,
car.
I've been watching
You know,
you.
when I go argue or fight over no man anymore. You see you? Don't deal with me. As long as I live, not deal with me. Me don't know what you know.
And I hear man me want, that is not the point, that's not the issue. Me talk the truth. Why me tell so much lie and shit.
Urban attitude.
Yes,
Yeah, dry, bad.
The area now.
And you're very attitude, so you're so small, and I have nothing about you. You're very maga. I know, me don't know what the boy is saying. So the truth is that me look at Philly. Tom, I like Tom, but Tom like you.
Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Come on.
Don't come back here.
Come on, fraud. Yeah. Right, no girl now come in at this. You think say two way your family. Me a go make you come in and so come disrespect.
Yeah.
Every minute you come you tell me like about my daughter. What a lucky thing say me never beat her. What a lucky thing me never send her a cops. Dirty Taylor, you come like your dirty mama will borrow me money how much years and no give me back. No come back on me yard.
Auntie, let me
You look hungry now.
Let me come to
You have to go. You have to go.
Oh,
me find out say you're a good friend.
Yeah.
Me find out say you is not an influencer. Not a bad influencer.
Me I tell say you little guy bad man and daughter.
No, me the thing say I did one bad influencer, but he's a good girl.
Yeah, me a good little girl.
You see she? You see she? Me a wonder if me and them related for true. Because me say I don't know close family me and them be, you know. I some far great grandmother family from down on that side there. Make me and them are sitting, you know, and all they do is walk and tell like on people, then own a family, stranger, everybody borrow money, then borrow your money, and when you ask them for them money, say true they don't want to give you back.
I me tell you.
Wicked now she take people man and come they tell like on her own cousin, so she thinks that you all the while. She come and tell me like about me picnic, about library and man and video and phone.
I'm sure that's nice. That's
true
fine.
because me not say nothing to her and me not cuss her. She thinks everything alright. But from the last time, she did come and me tell her about her teeth in Papa, she don't know something the plan for her. So she thinks that me would have really turn up in her so make nobody come beat me that if you even when they deal with her man, no girl can come on our roof come beat you. You crazy? You crazy? Damn, me can't take him on.
Me I come good on the road. Your yard full of device though.
No, let me tell you something. They see them here? I want a lady send them come give me from overseas. She sell them and she say every percentage we make me we get part of it.
Oh, that's why you charge them up because they're dead.
Yes.
Me
have to sell them when they have quarantine of them live battery up and running because me go sell that phone and then they can go and mash up and tell me say they work. Me have to charge them up my load. So anyway, the lady I'll tell me say she go send one nice tablet for my daughter. Oh, she love my daughter. Nice. Good woman. She nice. She say when she go back a foreign, if you come out of this house, yeah, and go stay in a fair house. But you see, two men like people things. They stay in this and fix it up. The only thing do this is to say a new brand something. My man come from foreign and come buy new brand sitting and fix it up. The only thing you want to know is paint and put on the, you know, it's solid text, so take out a little eat and see you bright, my man. Alright, I'm good. And my daughter good. A bad mind, then bad mind.
Very bad.
Corrupt, full of corruption.
Yeah. How you do a pull?
No man, you just easy to pull.
It's a friend.
Yeah, friend.
You can come look for her anytime, you hear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dirty girl. You see, let me tell you something. My daughter, You see, as long as you see Kayla on the road, if she dey on the left and you went over there, take it right. And if she dey on the right and you did over there, take the left. Not have nothing to do with Kayla.
And she go up, me go
Kayla
down.
come like her dirty, old ungrateful mama. Kayla mama used to come and me yard come beg out me chicken back and me ton can meal when me well do up with me nice coconut milk and sit and then she go sit down and chat me out me house dirty and me house this and me house that. When she come here come vomit up in one day and she up in her too because she drunk. And then me turn around and fi clean up it. Kayla coming like her wicked mama. Me not nothing to do with Kayla, you know. Remember say, me tell you, you know, say when Kayla did small and me used to help Kayla, you know, take off nappy, everything clean her and bathe her and she come around and do this to you. Look at man, I have nothing to come. You know what, I can go out the door. Or cool out, cause them at the dread like a what.
Slimmers, see your part, sir. Eh?
You not get a message?
I think a joke, I think a prank, yeah, a prank.
You did see the camera?
I never see no camera. But actually, when the TikTok thing come down and we just a video phone call and a video text or some style and post it and I laugh.
Hello. Me no want you.
You mean you don't want me?
You can't do nothing for me again.
Through my foot broke, you go left me?
Right now, more money. You can't give me it?
Right now. But I can give you probably look more or tomorrow.
Want it now. As me snap my fingers so. Want to reach now me hand.
Can't work on a fairy tale list. Real life. On a fairy tale list, man.
That's what you can do. And you need to go in a bed again.
When you foot better, man, I go better in a bed.
No, sir.
Peace, tell and so.
Me can't wait so long.
Me can't wait so long. Me still can't work, you know.
No.
Panny 1 foot, you know. You don't know where to do with it. I saw me, I got to do with it, man. Panny 1 foot. Me can't do it same way. You have to just give me a chance.
That's too soft.
Me can't do it harder to I want, me don't want to hurt myself on the wall, but you know I go already. If I say, I right man for you, you know, so me can't do me so.
Daddy can't choose for me. He's not the right man for me.
What?
Huh?
So what happened now? Talk to me now. Talk to me. Cause right now, I'm
not talking with you right now.
Eh?
I'm not talking with you. My broke like dog and I no money.
Me I get money for this, man. No worry yourself, man. Weekend money I come. Enough money.
Show me $100 right now.
Eh?
Show me $100 right now.
Me spend it. Me spend it, man, so. But weekend money, what day a weekend? Enough money.
You can't wait for a weekend. My money in my hand.
Tell me alone up your house, eh?
See, as it touch 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, me finna get money. Right away.
Weekend?
No. You see, as they like money for reaching in my hand. See, mornings, when it touch 6 o'clock, money in my hand. You see that evening? When it touch 5, money in my hand.
Can't believe I made those things. Can't
Somebody better than you still.
Who?
Somebody.
So you can't tell me who?
No. Find out for yourself.
Everything good. Don't worry yourself, Simon. Big up yourself, you hear? Big up yourself.
And somebody go take care of you, though. Later.
Yes, son-in-law. Backside, you must can't get a drinking idea.
Wrong name, bossy. Wrong name, that bossy. Me not saying that again, bossy.
Huh?
Me not saying that again.
Why?
The daughter left me a while ago. He sent a message before, so I'm thinking a prank. But he just
my daughter dumped you?
Your daughter dumped me, so my foot broke. Me not working, so me not good in the bed again.
So my daughter worry about sex?
Yeah.
That love?
Yeah. Must say me can't work for give him no money. Say I want money every day. I say wait money for you in a hand.
I see how this go like mother like daughter. Cause I don't like father like daughter, and I like mother like daughter. Cause that's why mama left me, you know. His mama left me because one night me go drink and come in. And poor Jimmy couldn't get up. Jimmy was sleeping.
You couldn't make that, Papa. How to make that?
And the woman go next door. But one of my enemy.
Me ask my window, but he not tell me what my enemy true. Me can't want to tell me, because I know some do things, you know.
You see, in life, this when you get a woman and they don't cherish you, you don't run them down.
Me can't run them down right now.
You look what happened.
When you see me can't run them right now, look on my foot, me can't run them down.
God, that's why you're side. You see, maybe I do a look salt girl, you take up on the bike, and the bike run off somewhere and broke your foot. Sometimes you have to think about that. You see, some woman who too greedy.
In a which way?
We have good woman, and yet we can't out a road and take up some other
No, when you say greedy for you, in a which way? Food?
No!
What?
Woman wife. Yeah,
no, you can't greedy for woman, my father. If you greedy for woman, food you greedy for food.
No! You have man greedy for woman. They have them good old woman a yard and yet them a run down back our next woman out a road.
Some woman, some man.
Most man.
You're greedy.
99.9.
Say if you're greedy.
No. But me I try to show you something. 99.9 of them good woman a yard and then take up disease out a road.
That's true.
That's why AIDS can never stop give. What you call it? What that one? The bullet one, what name?
Oh, gonorrhea.
Right. That's why most of them have gonorrhea. Because they are them good woman a yard and then go, they say go see one girl and then just take it. Boom! One shot of pow! Doctor them and then come in and give the woman and then blame it for the woman, you know.
That's true.
Blame it for the woman, say the woman a cheat, you know.
And them a go to road things.
And them a go to road go do things.
But you know me not do nothing, me work.
Me not know that.
What?
So how my daughter that left you?
What me tell you since a while ago?
What?
Me foot broke. Me can't give her no money. I can't perform in her bed. That's what she tell me. But well, me can't deal with it.
Me can't talk to her about it. Me can't talk to her about the broke foot part. But me can't talk to her about the perform good in her bed. Because
and the money part.
If you know your Jimmy can't get up here, you use the tongue. You should have just do that and make
so yo. So when time for your woman, and you gotta go drink a paper rum, and Jimmy now work, you use tongue?
No, me tongue no use neither. If one Jimmy dead, tongue dead too. So you should have do that.
Aye, sir. Take your word for it, sir.
Queer, how we go?
You know, say, brother, me go check. You the plan?
No, you know, say just see me and ask me. And who me there with
I
do?
feel like say a full time now if you tell me brother say yo, I'm me and you a deal.
Yeah, you that?
I know say you that, but I'm a brother that, you know. I remember say, the man take care when he in the ups, you can't deal with the man them type of way there.
I'm not ready for tell him yet. I want to find out how I'm own.
Yeah, probably want to put me in with my brother, you know. So anyways, we go up and so go sit down and talk.
Come on.
Because I'm not really one thing go sit down.
That's true.
You know, so between me and you still, me think a full time for make my brother know what I go on.
That's true. I agree with you.
Because you know, go make me and my brother and things, you know.
Yeah, him not in nothing.
Hello, I'm
you
my
just
brother.
accept it.
I'm my brother that, and if him see me and you move certain type of way, I want to rush me and I have to go kick him in the foot. I mean, I want to do my brother that. You see me?
So, if him ex left him and go to him brother, something wrong?
No, that look how weird, yo. It gotta go look like he's something, to you, man. You know look right. You look right here?
He look right for me.
Mama, we have to just make him nigga know what is what. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, I'm a blood brother. You see me? Alright, watch out. When you see him back, me and him, and we just make him know what is what.
No problem.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
And then we just, because me tell us I don't really like.
Yes, yeah. Daddy, where am I near, buddy?
No, man, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I job on this. Job on you, I job on better. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand. Lift up your hand.
Daddy.
Lift up your hand.
Daddy, what me to you?
The brother.
Yeah, man, I'm a man.
Are you?
Yeah.
Sit down, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, me a reason with her.
So job on is what you doing, so.
Him dead.
So him did right. You dump him.
Daddy.
But him brother.
Daddy, stop once a job when I had not figure we again, and I see. Even if he can't stand up.
Me not busy about the sex life. Because he had tongue. Me not busy about that. Me talking about this right now. How you fulfill with one brother skin out the one brother that can come give the next brother? Yeah, you that?
In the pan in 2 foot, in the pan 1.
Watch out, my brother time kinda expire now, you see me?
Tell him again.
And you?
Watch out now.
What kind of brother you be?
Watch out now. Me I take care of him, brother. I don't know, nothing wrong with that. Make him go and heal up for him foot, man.
So you see life?
Daddy, I want me to you.
I saw you see life.
You never whore out too.
Who?
Yo.
Whore out how?
Mommy tell me everything about you.
Your mother was a kettle.
And you was a what?
She look like you follow in her footsteps. Eh? Your mother used to have man a jump through my window. Every time you come in the door, lock me can be
You look at her under her bed, she hide them.
You see you? If you don't change your lifestyle, me I tell you the truth. So when film foot broke, I them pooper, you gonna take.
Mm-hmm.
What I say?
You see what me I try to show you? Right, mother
I
like
mean
that.
it because him a chat.
You know some not trust a girl. Go on with the father. Get up and go on with the father. Get up.
I don't know like that.
Get up and go on here with the pooper. I'm to you. Get up, man. Get up. Get up. Go on here, yeah.
Disgusting, bro. Anyway.
Go on up with that.
That's how you have my new son-in-law.
Yeah.
Me I look at juice. I juice much.
You look at me, I run shop.
This is the reason why I rate your brother more than you. He's a cheap chat.
So now you rate my brother then. Go on up, man.
Yes, you.
As a big man enough for the beg. Go on up, man.
I this.
Me nah this your brother, but
Alright.
me and my brother are two different.
Don't move.
Me not want me to move for.
Don't move.
Babes, where do done here, so?
Eh?
Where do done here?
And my boss, me there saw wait pan if you come check me with a uncle thing.
What you mean?
Me a wait for my boss to come check me, cause if you go pan a little thing, little more, you know. So me there wait for me, you there pan?
Me there, you know, you alright?
Yeah, man, me active, man. You cook up a yard, eh?
Yeah. Anyways, come, we are good on.
Boy, when I name some of the food, it's
Come on!
loud. I guess I'm fine. Bro.
I go now.
Why you pray?
Damn father, man, I go on
well.
well.
No, see for you be a little while up.
That left me last. That left me, man.
Eh?
That left me, my dog.
Jaja, you what? Already mad that the nigga they take for your woman. Wicked, you know?
That me as about a normal praying. Don't
Yeah, man, if
say
you catch him,
what
man, I'm broke in foot, me I tell a boy.
boy.
Yeah, man. No, me there with
say-
moms and thing. Moms come check me up everywhere they are safe. Everywhere if you go, you see me? So yeah, man, me I drop down pan here, I see me can what I eat. Don't I there thing.
Yeah, what eat?
Me
Yeah, man, I eat some.
You go find and get a new
True, but what on we are eat? Shouldn't I eat them? Food eat.
That we do,
Jaden eat.
man. Also,
Which eat?
I gotta consume some food then. Bad.
Necessary.
You go do it.
Me there, man, I eat it.
Alright,
Life easy, you know?
Come on, babe.
Alright, necessary.
Hi, God, and I was hot. Where?
Babes, I'm away for you.
Where do ya?
You may do you. Me can come check you again, baby.
Me and you left. Where do me yard?
You still left on there. Easy yourself, man, baby. You're mine. Give me come check, man. I can't.
You know, sorry, road me the Congo?
Road here, Congo.
Yeah.
Just come, man. Come in, come easy yourself.
Yes, my son-in-law, you there?
Me there, daddy, come look for me, woman.
Lord. Me and you not there.
Hello.
A prank, man. I must prank.
Hello. Listen, me of infam, you know.
Say what?
Me of infam.
Yo, big man. Talk to me, man.
Huh?
Talk to me, no.
Wow.
Daddy, you know, say that's why mama left you came out enough you.
I'm not talking, not my time for talk. I'm not talking, relax. I'm not busy with that. My son-in-law. Anyway. The rough part here, you know, both way. Both way rough.
What do you mean, both way? Give me first way.
Well on. Me not some person listen to me. They go road.
Hello. Me talking. The man, see it? How long you out to sit down?
Oh, 1, 2, 3 hours now.
Yeah, there. I mean, like, house. Or 2, 3 hours.
Yeah, I know I'm ready for go road.
This is love. This is love. If this a man can sit down and wait for you, right? How this a call me? You're well lucky. As much as I call me one time, if this a man can...
How would you man that?
You know, worry about me. Worry about your situation.
I'm a new stepmother. More meet her.
Girl, I don't want to get the clutch stick, you know. I don't want to get it. You love me, daughter?
Hey, me, somebody yes right now.
What name love?
You know love. Right now, go for your knife. I'm going to give me heart. That is love.
Yeah, you that. Your thing, say. I am going to take out my heart. You want a woman and tell him to me love her?
Me love her.
You fool your fart. When you take out your heart.
No, your daughter, me no feel for your daughter.
Eh?
Me no feel for your daughter, you know?
Listen,
I don't believe I'm a father, you know.
You see, woman is like a viper.
Mm-hmm. Say that a viper.
Dangerous as tick. No, not every woman. But she a viper. Cause what she a do now, past viper.
What she a do?
Now.
Talk to me for what she a do?
Huh?
What she a do? What me don't know about?
My job to tell you that. And my pick him and I let him down.
You never think you can give you.
What's up?
I want to know, sir, you was spending all them for them about 5 bills you can give you. Was
5 bills and the money.
You know?
Even me hard.
No, me no buy pussy in a bag. I don't like the first time. You know. You have to confess to him one day, you know.
Talk to me for you, I can know something, man. Where you hide?
Eh?
Who no hide?
She tell me, say, down the dead. And you know, no use. So I take up somebody else.
Since my foot
but
broke
if
down
somebody else I take up.
Since
You're
foot broke down, they're dead.
You're dead.
I'm there so living to talk to you.
You can't turn up.
Jesus Christ, take time and talk and something that make people too much hear than hear. Don't let it pitch you. He's a wicked, you know, girl. What do you mean don't let it? A 3 foot broke down the dead now. I'm not gonna get them down the dead now.
That's a
faster. Good.
Yes.
Me can't actually foot broke, me can't do it good. Me tell you, me can't do it already. Me show you me can't do it already.
Hold on,
style.
man. Me up on the phone with Dr. Foster. Dr. Foster, yeah. My daughter have a problem. Yeah. Yes, ma. You remember my son-in-law, Jabon? When me sitting up there when he crash off my
son-in-law.
Yes, him see him, man. Yeah, man, in good. There's a problem, though. Yes, my daughter dump him to one different man, but I can't call the man name, you know.
Like you know what I go on, papi.
You don't know what I go on, you know, that's a first. And that me call him out, you know, the main part. My daughter say, in look at Jimmy dead. So me I wonder if you had nothing for it. Because me don't really want my daughter go the wrong road, you know. I want him date him same way, like a good boy. You want him to take care of the bills, then.
Then you can't make it enough for you.
No man can do that. No man can do that.
I'm going to get the clocks in on y'all. Mama, where are you going to go?
I'm there from my father.
Well,
I'm take a look at it.
So why are you saying that?
Cause him the force me for there with my ex. Then no good something like that.
That's my brother. Then no good something, man. When you can't work out and look out. Thing.
Me no want him.
My girl, remember said the man spend par you when him did up. You see me? So nothing wrong if you just go and bear with the nigga.
Me can't bear no longer. Barely want food.
It will get better eventually, you never know that.
It not get better. You look like a whole belly over him.
You see how me and my woman there live good and with the road for you know. I never give my woman body anything up. Never. I will never, ever think about that. You see me?
Hello.
Alright, babes?
Hi. Hear me alright?
Alright, babes? Okay. No,
They say you never take care, bun?
No, sir. No.
You trust man?
Woman bun.
Yeah, me trust him.
Okay. She trusts me.
Me can't
Trust me.
Yes.
No, you
What
can't.
do you mean by that? Girl, man a dog. No, not all of them, But you don't know a bigger liar. Oh.
Anyways, just give my brother a next chance. Just because you know I'm my sister-in-law.
Anyways, me know I hear about this. Check me later. Up a house. What she mean by check later up a house?
Oh, should you want me fix one and sock it for her up there?
What kind of socket?
No, man.
Man.
Our current.
I'm a brother-in-law.
My current now.
Me no want this, yeah.
Me no want her. I never did something like she. Girl, go on home. Go on home for me.
In short, you know, see, me not deal with short guys.
Alright, go on home. Don't worry about her. Yeah, she want me fix her sock it up the fear because
We
my
no
current
know
now
good
flow
are you?
through.
Oh.
Yeah, so
If
she
you
want
say
me
so.
Yeah, I go to my yard.
I got you, man, and you.
So you say I go on now, babes. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you need to stop being so crazy. You see me? Stop being so jealous and then make away there.
What do you mean?
You know me I talk about? If you see me on the phone, who you talk to?
Any little thing where me I go? Me I go road for me
Yeah,
I
me
go.
have to know because you're a dog.
You see me on 4 foot, what you mean me a dog?
You whore too much. And any day me find out say you cheat for me and I go like it.
You see that with you now, I be a negativity I think about. You see me?
You soon know.
Me not we can hold a shower in peace. You want to be with me?
So we not there?
Yeah, but me not like when y'all look for me some type of way youth. And you touch cheese, bro. You just want, dear. Yeah,
But you belong to me.
With them, me not belong to you. With them. You see me, you can't do them style, brother.
You say any day me find out say you cheat for me. You see there's something the way you have me, I go poppy.
What me I go for cheat?
And which party I go hit up at night time?
Me go road with the boys, them. You see me? And 1, 2, and 2, 3 girl, forward. You see me? But none of mine.
Me I go say so too.
No, for me for you.
Me I go say so too.
Say what?
Me go say so. You have somebody out there. Stop tell lie.
Yes, I alone me have.
I don't believe that.
You don't think say you in the future more if it's still in the future. You have all of a thing planned for you,
For real?
Yeah, second
like
down. Second down I have a one you.
Yeah, buy me biggest for Spanish Hills.
If your money did it, why not? You know anything, do anything for my wife. You see me? Married the 2 and them look away there. You know I'm a babes.
No, so wife, because I don't ring that up on my finger.
Let me say me I go turn her into my wife.
You're gonna pay any?
You're
gonna pay any?
Know how you make it sound, but when people propose upon any you go, I say, will you marry me? And then sound there. But when your time come, you will know what is what.
Me hungry.
You want for this?
Seafood, boy.
That's not no problem. I can go down your road to be with that. I do me have so much to talk about. Go down your road and see what go on.
Where this girl there? Not answer her phone. Joey, come here. She don't know me who. Come here a minute, please. Come quick, man. Move fast. Do me a favor, quick and tank. Go call your sister. Tell her so me call her now. So, no idling. Me want her right here, right now.
Which part exactly in there?
Me no know. Me a call her and she not answer. Go on the road. She's usually at the bamboo tree.
Alright.
Call her and tell her so me want her. No. Alright. Please and thanks. Move fast. Move fast. Aye.
Watching love man like dog. Girl, where are the panny road?
Me they go down the road and come back. Awa.
Then I know say you man over there look for you.
Turn on your voice when you talk to me.
Let them turn on my voice. The lady need you over the yard.
Which lady?
Your mother. We mother.
Me not come no way.
Remember you not come no way.
How me they go down the road and come back?
You know say it's a nasty girl though. The time you there so with the man know say no wash your jaws them we have over there in our bath.
Hey. I feel jazz then.
You wash your front for a morning?
Of course.
You clean the room for a morning?
Girl, you really come about me on the road?
Come on, tell the girl like you. Wait on. Come on, tell the girl like you're a good girl. You're bad dirty jaws over there. You not clean your room. No, you don't do. You're a nasty girl under disguise.
Girl.
Come go back to your lady. Come on.
Me not go no way.
Me I go tell him say me see you on road with the man. I'm sure no say mommy no. Mommy
shut your mouth.
You sure no say mommy no know say you a man you know?
No.
So come on, before me have to make you know that.
You know say you chat too much?
Let me in my mouth.
You think I'm afraid?
Man, what you do, you know? Man, what you do? I dirty jars if you come and come wash. You have dirty jars over there. You know, clean the room for a morning.
I lie.
Come out there going like you're a good girl, just up in your clothes.
I'm a little sister.
Come on.
Be me see you later, yeah?
Yeah, man, the thing, man, I'm sure you can come out there.
Go so. Come on.
Go on with the sister, man.
Come on!
You know something hate you?
Go off the road, sir.
You know something hate you?
Me don't like you neither. I mean,
my time feel.
What then?
You can't select the trailer.
Oh.
Too much.
Hello, what you did there?
You know what I see? I walk with man, I hug up with man pan road.
You know, see, I chat too much?
Mom, make you chat in a girl.
Question.
So you can't tap me
Question.
and chat.
Me not 18.
Me? My business about you? See you if you talk today. May I come call you?
Yes, go in.
Just chat too much.
Don't want to talk to you. Say he's a boyfriend you have. You can talk to me.
Yes, mommy.
All right. The only thing we would say, why you never make me know him?
Mommy, it's just never the right time.
Never the right time. You don't know what the next 5 minutes can bring, the next hour can bring. Me now say you can't have a boyfriend, you know. 'Cause I was 18 once and me have feelings and me know you would have feelings too. But you have to be wise. You have to be wise in these times. You have to use your head, not just your feelings.
So, mommy, me not use my head.
Anybody know him? What him name?
His name Bob.
Bob? What Bob? Bob Marley? Bob what?
Just Bob, mommy.
See that now? Imagine this. Imagine, God forbid, not no gossip, but imagine anything did happen to you. What me going to tell the police now?
Mommy, nothing happened.
Me not even know you leave the house and me never even know say you're gone. Eh? When them gonna ask me what your daughter was wearing, Who is our friend? Who was she last
Mommy,
seen?
enough of them mad me up saying, mommy.
Me now say you know if I have feelings on a little boy you go and chat to one thing. But use caution, use your head. You do nothing with him?
No, mommy.
You know about condom?
Yes, mommy.
You use condom?
Mommy, me not have sex.
Me not born yesterday. All me I tell you. If you don't want to tell me for your business.
Mommy, want to go doctor?
Like you not go already.
I'm still a virgin.
Use protection in everything. Protect up this, sir. Protect this, sir. And definitely protect this, sir. You hear?
But condom can protect up, sir.
Use your head for protect it. Huh?
Me hear you, mommy.
And I want to know more about this young man, say, since
mommy,
you talk about him. Who is him family? Where him live? Where him come from?
Mommy, me I gonna make you meet him.
Today.
Okay then, mommy.
Soon and very soon.
I want to talk to your little daughter, you hear?
Good what?
Imagine she can disgrace me panty about how me have dirty panty over here fi wash and my room not clean for a morning. What kind of style that?
Well, if you never give her a cause, she wouldn't have chat.
But me not have nothing like that over here.
You're blind.
My room probably dirty, yes, but...
You're blind.
Me not no dirty panty over here.
You're blind. You're blind. What the room dirty with? Eh? When you come in and you drink and you can't manage it and you just take off your clothes and fling it everywhere. And me have to fling it off of the settee in your room. I beg you please and thanks. Go clean up the place. And don't make me say it twice.
Mommy, you said I'm going there and see no off here. I'm going to take them and throw them out the door.
I would love to see the day name day. You buy nothing for your sister, but you have the right to fling nothing of hers out a door. Let me see it. Please and thanks, go clean up. You can never give her any fish.
So too much.
Oh boy. Evening.
Evening.
I had to walk. I woke today. Hey, Mr. Chinaman, go on again, smart, yes, man. Mr. It chuck man come there late, so that's why I come on home so late still. We don't need to reach up from 2 o'clock, but that's how you go.
Sun done set already.
No worry about that. We don't worry about that. You only want to know something and cheat. Where girls them there? Inside?
Inside.
Okay, so you cook?
Yeah, man.
What you cook?
Chicken breast.
Oh, God.
Irish.
Oh, God.
Yam.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
What?
You're not tired of chicken breast? You're not tired of chicken breast? Chicken breast with this. Chicken breast with pasta. Chicken breast with rice. Chicken breast with flour. Chicken breast with plantain. Chicken breast with banana.
You're not sick for complain? Try do it yourself then.
Me so in a sleep I talk about chicken breast.
I the only breast if you talk about other than mine. Try do it yourself.
If your breast then withered up and done with long time. That's why then just cook them my breast. For the picking them born and suck down the breast. Then not more.
You picnic them. You picnic.
Our picnic them. Our. Anyway. Me think say a full time now you start help with the bills them. Yeah. I feel like say true, me alone they go work every time. Me have to hide on a thief, me string bag of flour and bag of rice to make a little side hustling. Right? Me say 2 women come there today, you know. I say, me see them today, you know, and I watch them, you know. Thief them, they feeding them, you know. But me I look on them and I say, boy, look how life hard. Eh? The woman have your teeth feeding, just to come feeding baby. Wound to the workless father, them out there. So I'm the only father. Stand up in my them life. Eh? Lord, some women they do like what me see them do, woman they do. Go left them like how them baby father go left them.
Response for them. Since me have to help with the bills them, no problem. Me feel say, you for help with the girls them. You for help with the cleaning. You for help with the sweeping. You for help with the washing up. You for help even talk to your daughter them.
What one more talking they want? You know they're alright, you're there. You can call them.
No. Come me go on the road, go and look work and do work. So since me have to help with the bills, it take 2 in everything, you know.
So what do them?
Go talk to them and find out. You know, say, Jody have a boyfriend.
Still news.
Okay.
Still news.
Okay. And you know, say she have everything. You know,
Still
name and everything.
Still news. Me know say the chair off a Chinaman son. But the boy sent 2 black. Yes, me hear the boy cha. So me no use me head because me want to know what I talk about. So me say, I know me a run joke with him. He said, no man, no other black girl ever done this man. I look me and I don't want her, you know me say. So me say, I saw my daughter move. After a long time, my daughter bad like a yard. We can't do nothing. He done gone through the gate. Me talk to him, me talk to you. Me talk to him day and night.
No, you talk at her. You not talk to her. You talk at her.
Me even go to me we are embarrassed her in front of 2 boys.
So how she go listen to that? You can sit her down as a father and talk to her and give her a man point of view.
If me as a boy picking it, turn up in front 2 girls picking it and my father come there come embarrass me so me tap. Me not look no more woman until me old enough. Me I tell her that.
Like say you never breed me young, eh? And look how much time your mother chase you down with the frying pan and lick you in your head with the frying pan. And your name stop then. From you at 13, you're a bus shot. So stop chat fart in me ear roll.
Me can ask you a question. How did catch you make you come over me yard?
Your memory shot.
What did catch you make you come over me yard?
Your memory shot. And you ask Johnny for ask me if he teach you with maths and lecture you with the maths and tutor you with maths.
And
then you start stretch. Oh, tired. And your hands start reach round. And you know where to touch and you know where to press. Huh? And you press up the button them. And boops.
And that's some of the advice. No picking if you go, no other picking yard go study because then there's something that go happen.
See, and them they talk if you talk to your daughter, them. Remember, say them a girl child, anything happen, them a bring to we.
The only one I can chat to you is the little one. I can bend that the tree there before it grow. But you see a big hee-haw with those ton 18 gone, what there? Me tell her, I said, do not bore in neighbor. And somebody phone me, say neighbor bore. It come here?
Well, she, for we, pick me at 18. She a big woman on that level. All we can do is talk and advise.
Let me tell you
And
this.
if you did talk to her, then she wouldn't rebel, so.
Alright, she are 18, right? Remember, say you say my 18. So when you put out her backside, remember, sir, she are 18. The law now come force me to put her back in, right? So I are going to eat my nice dinner, chicken breast again. Cause that's all they give me, chicken breast.
You don't care, carry on. That's the only breast you're gonna get. Go long.
No worry, Joey, oh, you're being alright, no problem.
Bro. How do you it, bro? There, boy. I say everything good.
Yeah, man, everything levels.
Most some story you come to tell me, know.
No, sir. I just come to check up on a regular basic.
Oh.
Yeah, boy. Me and for me girl, boy. Rough.
So what should do again?
We can't go nowhere, bro. We can't even take a shit in peace.
Jaja,
I can't even bathe in peace.
Bro, me tell her how long she left that girl there, That girl gonna make you put herself in a problem, bro.
Dog. Me love her still in you, but girl too clingy, my youth.
Love, bro. And she had deal with this, so.
I just choose she just clingy. You see me, she want to hit up on me. You know, I'm glad her sister come call her. You can't get a little feel,
have a
bro.
girl that stay so, bro. You can't in a relationship with a girl that stay so, bro. She will make you put yourself in a problem.
The girl going on my phone.
Yeah.
And see one number mark. Save as my queen.
My queen.
Yeah, and she say I love you. I'll be Jake, mom ready for Jake me up, And guess what? I'm a mother.
So she you know explain and tell her.
After me done explain, oh be sorry, me never know. Yeah, what you want? And I rub me, I say my girl, that's easy off here, man.
Box him would have give me would have say blinky.
I just that my problem. She too clean, you see me, me can't go nowhere, dog. Me in a bathroom my being. She have to dip on the toilet bowl. Me dip on the toilet bowl, she have to over and shower curtain and peep over. You don't like them style, bro.
Just get rid of that girl, bro. Run her away, bro. Get rid of her out of your life, bro.
Me I think about it, you know. Me I think about
More
it.
than one woman out there, bro. Thousands of women out there, bro.
Wait there. Hello. My girl, tears up, watch me now you. Me go and check my bedroom down the road. Better tell Suzette for mine I own a business. Tear girl. Which woman me a forward? Alright, me a forward. You don't know say mama tell me say how Suzette tell her say she see me down in a lane. I go over people, I go over a girl yard. However, you say me a forward, brother. Yo.
So, bro, how you do to that one that the girl do to you, so, bro, make she a deal with a some type of way and you still, bro, me not used to you, so, bro. Something in a something, bro.
Nah, I think I love you now, bro.
Yo, yeah, though. We connect up, bro.
Yeah, dad, me a come chip going, you know, connect up.
Show me see how.
We are go. Good, who are you? Hello? I'm gonna put something in. Oh, one spot. Yeah. Yeah, it was. Really? I get that. Then I'll tell you, I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't know. Probably tomorrow. I can't come to me an idea.
How are you the phone it?
Best friend.
Which best friend? May I eat that? Eh? May I eat that?
No.
May I eat that?
Rotted. Jesus. They are no. God. Well, he love man too much of that easy get. see that you love man like dog and that you forget.